Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream of Zibit.com. My name is Yash Pawar, and I am gonna be your live stream host, not just live stream host, but I'm gonna be your partner at a crypto journey because everybody needs a support when you are starting a crypto journey, right? So this is 1 second. Okay, okay. So this is the place where like this 4 hours of live stream, actually 4 plus 4, 8 hour of live stream you get every day from the zbit.com so that you can help, so that we can help you in achieving a great excellence in your trades, getting your more good profits, getting you a nice what you can say, a nice good amount of money from the market, how to achieve it, and also how to understand the market, because that is very important. Trading is not just an important thing, but understanding the market is very important, because there are so many probabilities which may happen in the market. Unlimited amount of probabilities, xyz, anything can happen in the market, but we can help us understand. I can help you understand that situations, how to deal with it whenever you face, because see, obviously we come here for 8 hours a day. Every day 8 hours of live stream we do over here. After that, like, there might be, like, in the night time there are good movement, in the morning time, in the early morning time before the live stream start, there might be a good movement, yes. So in that situation, we can not be there available for you all the time in the live stream to tell you that this is happening, this is happening, that is happening, that is happening, this is happening. For that, you have to be a self-sufficient. You have to understand how the market reacts, and this live stream is one of the best platform where you can understand, where you can gather as much knowledge as you want of the market, as much as you want. I can help you in understanding the market analysis. I can help you in understanding the technical analysis. I can help you in understanding a lot of strategies. There are so many, there are not just one, but there are so many different strategies out there which can help you to earn and achieve a great trades, not just for, I'm not talking about just like for short term, but for even for long term. But to be very fair, to be very sure, like, to make you understand this thing, I trade in future trading. Okay, I do not trade in spot trading, because spot trading is not meant for me right at this right now period of a time. Why do I say that spot period is not meant for me at right now period of a time? Because I don't have an investment to make. Same like you, same like me. You and me are not a different people. Okay, we are exactly the same people. It's just like some level of knowledge is making us different. That's all. You are a retailer. I am a retail investor. That's all. We both are at the same pace. You're having like, I won't say I'm like a lack of investment, but yes, the investment which I have, I cannot go and directly go and buy coins, because if you want to buy, like, I will tell you one trick of spot trading. Spot trading is not meant to be like you buy one, two, three. No, that's not the how spot should be bought. Spot should be bought with a very heavy quantity, so that when this market even jumps $1 plus, $2 plus, $3 plus, $4 plus, you are having a very good amount of profit in your market, very good amount of profit. That can be helped up if you only and only buy a good amount of quantity from the spot market. So buying a very good quantity is very necessary. If you buying a spot, for example, let's say you bought a Solana spot, 10 Solana is not going to help you to achieve a very good, like, what you say, a good profit, a good money. Whatever you invested, 50% cannot be backed up. Like, for example, you invested 1,000, the another, it cannot make 2,000 in just 10 coins. Okay, you have to have more than at least, let's say, 100 to 200 coins you have to purchase, so that you can see that very huge chunk of money into the market, even if the market just shifts $1, $2, $3, $4, or $5, because we have seen Solana is not having that good of where is one day, September. Okay, this is 21. Yeah, that's 21. From 21, we saw the market was at highest was 240. Yeah, 240. Highest was 240. And then after, let's say when the day ended. No, this is Sunday itself. It's Saturday. Saturday. I want to check for Saturday. This is Saturday's market. Saturday, the highest market was 220, 239. And then let's go for the Saturday ending. Okay. Saturday ended over here with the highest of 240. Can you get the same? Like I said to you, it might just shift $1. It might just shift $2. That's all it can shift. Not more than that. Not more than that. It will just shift one to two to $3. That's all. But if you want to have that kind of opportunity so that you can, even if the market is just shifting $1, even if you can have a good amount of profit with it, then going for a greater quantity is the key. One second, charging is needed. Going for a great quantity is a key. If you don't go for a great quantity, then what happened? If you don't go for a greater quantity, then that's not how you can achieve a very good amount of profit in a spot. So if you need to do a spot trading, make sure this one very specific thing: deposit should be bigger. It should not be smaller. If you want to earn a good amount of chunk in your wallet, a very good huge money into your wallet, then deposit needs to be bigger, not small. $10, $20, 30, 40, this kind of money is not going to help you at all in a spot trading. That money can be used to trade in future trading. That is the best. Like if you are depositing less than $1,000, use it in a future trading. Do not waste in the spot trading. Because spot trading, even if you do, what if the, like, you know how volatile the crypto market is. The future chart and the normal chart of the market is, it doesn't have that huge difference. Okay, it's almost the same, almost just few 0 point dollar or $1 to $2 there might be different. Other than that, there is no huge, not even $2. It's just like maybe 0.5, 0.6, 0.8 max. There might be this kind of difference in the market of futures and the spot. Let me just check it if I'm true or not. Bitcoin is going at 115,789.9 at this spot. This is spot. Okay, let's just go for future perpetual contract 115,669.27. Yeah, a little. It's big. The difference is big. 669,738. Almost. I don't know how much it will be. 669,738. 738. $69 difference in future contract. In future, the market is dropping up. Maybe in the spot, it will drop soon. But are you sure that let me just check another coin, some other place. This is spot of the crypto. Crypto spot is going on. See, in here it is going on 727. In OKX is going on 746. I feel this is easy. Like you buy on these cheap price and then you go on any other platform to sell it on the highest price. That's how you can earn a good amount of money. I feel really. Some people are selling it at 727. The like actual crypto trading the spot. Let me check Binance. Binance selling at 789. Why they are having their own pricing differences? Some people are selling it expensive, some people are selling it cheap. Why is it? Why is it? You're selling at 736, Binance selling at 789. Let me check for any another one. Bitstamp is selling for 744 and OKYX is selling for 746. Okay, that's okay. Let me just check Zbit. What is Zbit selling at? spot. Zbit is selling at the most cheapest price. If you want to buy, actually, if you, it's actually true, bro. It's actually true. If you want to buy cryptocurrency in a spot or the future, Zbit is the best place to have because we are giving it at the most. Okay, one second. I think I'll be completely sure. Yes, yes. To be very obvious, yes, we are giving it you in the most easy and simple price. We are providing you Bitcoin, any other coins which is out there right now in a very most cheap price. Like not very cheap, like we won't deduct 100K dollars or something, but almost comparing to, let's say, Bitcoin, comparing to Binance. Binance is selling at, it was 769, right? 769, no, 789, I guess. Wait. Where is Binance? 789, yes. 789. And we are selling it at 662. 662. Almost, like, can you see the difference? $127 difference we are providing to you, like compared to any other platform out there. You can go for Binance, you can go for any other, but compared to any other platform, we are providing you cryptocurrency by not just like 10, 20, 30, but more than this kind of difference. $127 difference we are providing to you, and that's not small. $127 is not small. You can save so much of money with this. That's nice. Actually, this is nice. It might be same for Solana as well. Solana, we one second. Solana, let's check our price. Solana 239.30. Okay. 239.4. Okay, Solana doesn't have that huge difference. Solana, it's just Bitcoin, I feel. Bitcoin has a huge difference. What is Solana USD? Is 39. Yeah, same. Okay. Solana has no difference. What about Ethereum? Spot 4475, 4474. Ethereum is 4472. Okay, $2 difference. $2 difference you can see from any other platform on the zbit.com. It's not just like, see, like every day when you explore something in the Zbit, it's like something new is coming on this platform, and there are more and more reasons for you to trade on the Zbit and not on the other platform, because we are providing it at you the most cheapest price. Enjoy this cheapest price. Maybe these are like maybe the last chance for you to have it, so please go for it. Use use this use this opportunity and go for a huge sell off in the market. Buy at the most cheapest price on Zbit and then go for selling it. That's what you can do. Okay, let's come back to our BTC. BTC perpetual contract. Okay, there we are back. Okay, so there are more and more reasons you are getting that you need to have zbit.com as your trading partner, because Zbit is offering you such a great things. Like every compared to every other platform, the Bitcoin prices is cheap, so that you can also do like invest less but earn more, because volatility is same everywhere. It's not like volatility is different, the pricing is different, that's all. Sometimes we have to understand why I have to understand why the price is different, but let's see. It's like such kind of things should not be asked. If you are getting in a cheap, just take it cheap. That's all. Today I will show you one very specific trick. Like, see, a lot of people out there, they are facing one very issue. Like, I want to be like a whale. I want to earn like a whale. Like even when we are investing, some people say, like even yesterday I saw a lot of people. I lot my $100, $200, $150, and they are in a lot of this thing. Like shit, the money is gone, money is gone, money is gone, money is gone. I will show you one of the trick where you can actually, and they, when you start a crypto journey of like earning, that you want to earn a lot of good money, you feel like you want to earn exactly like the big players, that you want to earn like them. You want to exactly earn like a big player. How big player earns so much and so much and so much of money out there. I will show you one very simple and simplest trick which you can use to earn the, which you can use to earn same like a whale, exactly like a whale, exactly, not any difference. That only difference will be the profit margin. They might have a lot of investment, so they might get a good profit. We will have a little less investment, but trust me, I will help you to earn same like whales as well. There is one very simple trick which I'm going to show you right now, which can help you earn exactly like a whale. Okay. And also about the language, I use English language. But if you have any difficulty in understanding in English language, please tell me on the comment section that can you say it in Hindi, because I know Hindi as well, मुझे हिंदी भी आती है. तो अगर किसी को भी कोई भी तकलीफ होती है, कोई चीज नहीं समझ रही है, कुछ चीजें, क्योंकि हमारे मार्केट में, मतलब इस जीबिट के मार्केट में सिर्फ इंडिया के लोग नहीं, इसमें इंडिया के भी लोग हैं, नाइजीरिया के भी लोग हैं, इधर 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 बहुत सारे लोग हैं. तो मुझे कॉमन लैंग्वेज यूज करना, मतलब लाइक चाहिए, जहाँ पे हर एक लोग को समझ में आए कि मैं क्या बात कर रहा हूँ, राइट? तो अगर आप में से किसी भी लोगों को कोई भी तकलीफ होती है इस लैंग्वेज इशू से लेके, या फिर कुछ चीजें नहीं समझ रही कि यार ये चीज वापस समझा दो, ये चीज वापस कर दो, ये लाइव स्ट्रीम उसी के लिए है कि हम, मैं आपको एक ट्रेडिंग सिखा पाऊँ, आपको एक नॉर्मल कॉपी ट्रेडर से इंडिपेंडेंट ट्रेडर बना पाऊँ, राइट? मेरे को ट्रेडिंग में नहीं नहीं बोल के एटलीस्ट 5 to 5.5 year हो चुके हैं. So I have a very good knowledge regarding trading and about the की स्ट्रैटेजी कैसे बनाते हैं, एंट्री कैसे ढूंढते हैं, मार्केट को रीड कैसे करते हैं, इस, ये मार्केट को समझ के मैं क्या आगे मूव ले सकता हूँ, ये सारी चीजें. ओके. इसके पहले, आगे बढ़ने से पहले, मैं एक चीज सबको बता देना चाहता हूँ कि कल के जैसे ही, कल हमने ऑलमोस्ट ऑलमोस्ट 200 से $300 अंदर लिया था, ऑलमोस्ट 200 से $300 प्रॉफिट में थे. आज भी हम वैसा ही प्रॉफिट कमाने चाहते हैं. तो प्लीज, अगर अभी तक डिपॉजिट नहीं किया है, अभी तक पहला ट्रेड नहीं लिया है, या फिर अगर ट्रेड लिया है और अकाउंट थोड़ा खाली चल रहा है, तो जरूर डिपॉजिट कर दीजिए, क्योंकि आज हम फिर से वही चीज रिपीट करेंगे. आज हम फिर से ट्रेड लेंगे और एक तगड़ा प्रॉफिट लेके देंगे. ओके. छोटा छोटा, लाइक नॉट इतना बड़ा बड़ा नहीं, क्योंकि अभी शुरुआत में ही बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट करना अच्छी बात नहीं होती है. पहले भरोसा लो और फिर विश्वास करो. पहले खुद इस्तेमाल करो, फिर विश्वास करो. सो प्लीज डिपॉजिट जरूर कर दीजिएगा. वहां पे आपको लाइव स्क्रीन के वहीं बाजू में एक डिपॉजिट का बटन दिख रहा होगा, क्लिक करके डिपॉजिट कीजिए. एंड जितना आप डिपॉजिट करेंगे, अच्छा, उतना अच्छा प्रॉफिट मैं ला के दूंगा, उसका टेंशन नहीं है. मैं एक चीज बोल रहा था कि हाँ, एक वेल के जैसा कैसे कमाते हैं. एक वेल जो बहुत नहीं कि बड़ा क्वांटिटी में इन्वेस्ट करके 1-2 साल भूल जाता है, फिर वापस आके बहुत ही ज्यादा पैसे कमाने लग जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा पैसा उसके प्रॉफिट में जाता है. वो वाली ट्रिक, एग्जैक्टली वो वाली ट्रिक कैसे, और कैसे करते हैं, कैसे कमा सकते हैं, क्या करना चाहिए, कौन से कॉइन में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए, ये सारी की सारी चीजें इस लाइव स्ट्रीम पे मैं अभी ही आपको सबको बताऊँ. बट बताने से पहले, लाइक अभी लाइव स्ट्रीम पे लोग थोड़े कम है, तो वेट करें, थोड़ा वेट करते हैं. तब तक यूट्यूब का जो कमेंट सेक्शन है, मैं उसको यहाँ लेके आ जाता हूँ कि मैं यूट्यूब के भी कमेंट मुझे दिखते रहे. एक सेकंड. हो गया. लाइव चैट दिखती रहनी चाहिए। ठीक, ओके। सो लाइव स्ट्रीम में भी लोग थोड़े कम है, तो मैं सोच रहा था कि बहुत सारे लोग जब आ जाए तब मैं ये ट्रिक बताता हूँ आप लोगों को कि एक वेल के जैसे कमाना कैसे होता है। उसके पहले एक थोड़ी मेंटालिटी समझ ले, एक मेंटालिटी समझते हैं तो उसके पहले अम, अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है। मार्केट में कल क्या हुआ, कल हमारा टारगेट कहाँ था, कल हमारा टारगेट अभी तक अचीव क्यों नहीं हुआ, ये सारी चीजें भी मैं डिस्कस करूंगा आज। कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है, ठीक है। मार्केट क्या डाउन ट्रेंड में जा रहा है अभी, थोड़ा हल्का सा अब देखिए क्या डाउन ट्रेंड में जा रहा है मार्केट, ये सारी चीज, ये सारी की सारी चीजें मैं आज इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे डिस्कस करूंगा, इसकी कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है। और आज हम एक नहीं बल्कि सारे लाइक बिटकॉइन, इथेरियम, सोलाना और एक्सआरपी, इन सारे के सारे कॉइन्स को हम अच्छे से एनालाइज करेंगे। और जहां भी हमें सबसे अच्छी बेस्ट ट्रेड मिल रही है हम वो वाली ट्रेड लेंगे। तो एक चीज जरूर याद रखना कि डिपॉजिट करना ना भूले, कि अगर वो एंट्री पॉइंट कैसा होता है ना कि आपको भी पता है कि एंट्री पॉइंट आती है और चली जाती है, तो इस मोमेंट पे बहुत फिंगर स्नैप की स्पीड पे हमें एंटर करना है और फिंगर स्नैप की स्पीड पे हमें एग्जिट करना है। तो मेक श्योर करें कि आपका जो ये है डिपॉजिट है वो हुआ हुआ रिचार्ज फुल हो, तो हम आगे इन्वेस्ट करने को रेडी हो जाएगी, ठीक है। सारी चीजें, मुझे ये एक्सआरपी की एक चीज समझ में नहीं आ रही है कि एक्सआरपी का भी रिसेंटली एक्सआरपी और डोज कॉइन ईटीएफ फॉर्म हुआ है। एक्सआरपी का भी हुआ और डोज कॉइन का भी ईटीएफ लॉन्च हो गया। अभी ये जो ईटीएफ होता है, ये ईटीएफ क्या होता है, ये ईटीएफ होता है बेसिकली एक्सचेंज ट्रेड फंड, ये हम जैसे लोगों के लिए नहीं होता है, ठीक है। इसका मैं पहले ही आपको एक आइडिया दे देता हूँ कि ये हम जैसे लोगों के लिए ईटीएफ नहीं बना हुआ होता। ईटीएफ बना होता है बड़े से बड़े लोगों के लिए, इंडस्ट्री लोगों के लिए, कॉर्पोरेट लोगों के लिए, ठीक है। सो उनके पास बड़ा पैसा है, दे हैव एक्चुअली अ लॉट ऑफ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी टू प्रोवाइड, टू गिव, टू बाय, टू इन्वेस्ट। बहुत पैसा है उनके पास, बहुत ज्यादा पैसा है उनके पास, कि वो एक अनलिमिट मतलब लाइक हम जो सोच भी सकते हैं ना कि यार 1000 करोड़, 2000 करोड़, 5000 करोड़, 6000 करोड़, इतने इतने वो इन्वेस्ट कर देते हैं बिना सोचे समझे। कि एक चीज तो हमें एक चीज याद है कि यार अगर बिटकॉइन या फिर क्रिप्टो करेंसी में हमें इन्वेस्ट करना है स्पॉट के लिए, क्योंकि वो शॉर्ट टर्म ट्रेडिंग नहीं करते, ये तुम्हारे और हमारे बीच में से जैसे लोग होते हैं रिटेलर इन्वेस्टर, वो करते हैं कि हम मार्केट में हमने एंट्री ढूंढी, हमने एक मूवमेंट देखा, हम मार्केट में घुसे और हम मार्केट से निकल गए। थोड़ा अपना छोटा मोटा जो बड़ा है, छोटा बड़ा जो भी प्रॉफिट होता है हम वो लेके हम निकल जाते हैं। जो ये बड़े लोग होते हैं ना, ये वो लेके निकलने वाला काम नहीं करते। उन्होंने कर दिया है इन्वेस्ट, सीधा सीधा उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट कर दिया। अब उनका जो इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है वो वहीं स्टैक रहता है। अब वो कब तक पता नहीं, स्टैक क्यों करके रखा है पता नहीं, पर मुझे पता है, मैं बता, हम जिस नजरिए से क्रिप्टो करेंसी को देखते हैं वो बहुत गलत है। एक जब रिटेलर एक क्रिप्टो करेंसी को जिस नजर से देखता है वो बहुत गलत है, और जो एक बड़ा वेल इंडस्ट्री पीपल, कॉर्पोरेट पीपल एक क्रिप्टो को एक जिस नजर से देखता है वो एक बहुत अलग, ठीक है। हमारे हिसाब से क्रिप्टो क्या हो गया कि हमने एक इसको ना डिजिटल गोल्ड मान लिया कि इससे तो हम पैसा कमा सकते हैं। इसका जो असली यूज केस है हमको पता ही नहीं, असली यूज केस हमारे लिए है ही नहीं, इसलिए हमें पता नहीं। क्रिप्टो करेंसी इन्वेंट क्यों किया गया था, एक सिंपल सी चीज के लिए कि गवर्नमेंट मनी को बहुत कंट्रोल करता है, जिससे इन्फ्लेशन रेट, इंटरेस्ट रेट, बहुत सारी चीजों में तकलीफ आ जाती है इन बड़े लोगों के लिए। हम छोटे मोटे लोगों के लिए ये चीजें इतनी मैटर नहीं करती, करती है पर उतनी नहीं जितनी इनको करती, क्योंकि इन्फ्लेशन और इंटरेस्ट रेट उन्हीं को ज़्यादा सबसे ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट करेगा जिनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है। जिनके पास कम पैसा है उनको थोड़ा ही इफ़ेक्ट करेगा, पर जिनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा है उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट करेगा। उसमें गवर्नमेंट और बैंक, ये 2 एक ऐसी चीज़ें हैं आज भी जो मनी और पैसे को बहुत अच्छे से कंट्रोल करती है। कितना कितने मनी बनानी एज़ इन कितना मनी प्रिंट करना है, कितना सप्लाई जाना चाहिए, कितना डिमांड आना चाहिए, कितने रेट बढ़ाने चाहिए, कितने रेट घटाने चाहिए। बैंक के हर सर्विसेज़ पे रूल्स रेगुलेशंस, उन्हीं के फीस, उन्हीं के ट्रांज़ैक्शन फीस, सारी एक चीज़ें सब में एक क्या है कि एक पैसा जो हम बोलते हैं कि मनी एक फँसा हुआ है, जो ना ही मतलब उनके कंट्रोल से बाहर नहीं आ पाता और हम बस एक्सेप्ट करे जा रहे हैं, दैट्स ऑल। जैसे ही क्रिप्टो करेंसी इन्वेंट हुआ वो सिर्फ इन्हीं 2 चीज़ों को निकालने के लिए हुआ कि एक पैसे को इनके कंट्रोल से बाहर निकाला जाए। इसीलिए डिजिटल करेंसी का इन्वेंशन हुआ, जिसकी वजह से गवर्नमेंट ना ही इसे मिटा सकती है, ना ही एक्स्ट्रा बना सकती है और ना ही इसे खत्म कर सकती है, ठीक है? ना ही और दूसरी बात आए बैंक पे, बैंक इसका जो एक बैंक कैसा होता है कि बैंक हमेशा जो सर्विसेज़ प्रोवाइड करती है कि यार मैं तुम्हारा ट्रांज़ैक्शन प्लेटफ़ॉर्म, मैं तुम्हारे लिए पैसा जमा भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं तुम्हारे लिए पैसा ट्रांसफ़र भी कर सकता हूँ, बट उसके लिए तुम्हें हमारा रूल्स रेगुलेशन के थ्रू जाना पड़ेगा। हमारे ट्रांज़ैक्शन फ़ीस होंगे एंड प्लेटफ़ॉर्म की फ़ीस होंगे, मंथली फ़ीस होंगी, ये होगा, वो होगा, उसके ऊपर से अभी एक बैंक जो होती है ना, एक बैंक बता रहा हूँ मैं, एक एक नॉर्मल सा एग्ज़ाम्पल दे रहा हूँ कि बैंक पैसा कैसे कमा रहा है। क्योंकि फिर लोग सोचेंगे यार यार बैंक तो बस एक लॉकर सा है ना, अगर नहीं, एक बहुत प्योर लॉजिक अगर निकालें हम कि व्हाट इज़ बैंक? बैंक इज़ प्योर लॉकर जो हमारा पैसा सेफ रख रहा है और हमें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह में ट्रांसफ़र करने में भी मदद कर रहा है, राइट? बट बैंक सिर्फ़ यही नहीं करता। बैंक इसके अलावा भी पीठ पीछे बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें करता है, जो उसके फ़ायदे के लिए है और हमारे नुकसान के लिए है। हमारा नुकसान मतलब उतना नुकसान नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं, बट स्टिल एक इकोनॉमी के नुकसान के हिसाब से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ। बैंक के पास जितना भी पैसा होता है, वो सारा पैसा वो एक इंडिविजुअल लॉकर्स में नहीं रखता है। वो जाता है एक ही लॉकर में जिसे हम लाइफ पूल बोलते हैं। अभी ये लाइफ पूल में सारे लोग का पैसा है, सारे एक से नंबर 1 से लेके नंबर लास्ट तक का सबका पैसा उस लाइफ पूल में है। वो लाइफ पूल से पैसा कहाँ जा रहा है? वो लाइफ पूल से पैसा वो जाते हैं, एक तो म्यूचुअल फंड में ट्रेडिंग करेंगे, इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, नॉट ट्रेडिंग, म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, हेज फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, कोई स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, सेफ, क्योंकि उन्हें दूसरों का पैसा वापस भी तो देना है। अगर किसी का पैसा तुम इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए लेते हो तो तुम्हें एक चीज तो ये है ना कि यार उसे भी उतना शेयर वापस देना है, बट हमें उतना शेयर वापस नहीं मिलता है। हमें बहुत बहुत लाइक अगर मैं कमा रहा हूँगा, अगर अगर फॉर एग्जांपल मैं बैंक हूँ और मैं कमा रहा हूँ 100 करोड़, ठीक है? मैं आपको दूंगा 100 रुपए, 1000 रुपए, बस, ये 2000 रुपए, बहुत ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2000 रुपए, इतने ही पैसे मैं आपको रिटर्न करूंगा। भले ही मैं आपका पैसा यूज करके अपनी जेब भर के अपना ही पैसा एकदम बहुत दुगना तिगना चौना 5 गुना 6 गुना 7 गुना 8 गुना 10 गुना बढ़ा के रख रहा हूँ अपनी जेब में, बट आपके लिए मैं छोटा ही, यही एक बैंक की सबसे गलत चीज, जो हमारा ही पैसा यूज करके हमारे ही मतलब कोई कोई म्यूचुअल फंड स्टॉक मार्केट जगह ट्रेडिंग करके पैसा वो सबसे ज्यादा कमा रहा है और हमें एक इंटरेस्ट जो होता है ना कि एक बैंक हमें इंटरेस्ट देती है कि ईयरली वाइज इतना इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा, साल में इतना इंटरेस्ट, ये इंटरेस्ट वो इंटरेस्ट जो हम पिक भी नहीं कर सकते, हम पूछ भी नहीं सकते कि यार तुम तो उतना कमा रहे हो ना, हमें उसके हिसाब से थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा दे दो, नहीं। रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, हमारी पॉलिसी ऐसी ही है सर। काउंटर नंबर 3 पे जाओ। क्यों जाऊँ मैं काउंटर नंबर 3 पे? सॉरी, सॉरी और निकल गया। ओके। हाँ, so this is what bank does, and you will be shocked to hear this one very crucial fact, which I was also shocked to hear. When you understand that, see, हैव यू सीन दी ऑनलाइन न्यूज़ प्लेटफ़ॉर्म्स? एक ऑनलाइन जो ये ब्लॉग के प्लेटफ़ॉर्म होते हैं या न्यूज़ के प्लेटफ़ॉर्म होते हैं या फिर जो एक फ्री मैंने कहा फ्री में अवेलेबल होता है कि जब हम जहाँ पे भी जाके एक सिर्फ़ इन्फॉर्मेशन गैदर कर लें, इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट कर लें। जिसमें जो हमें सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं माँगता, जो हमें पैसा नहीं माँगता, जो हमें कुछ भी नहीं माँग रहा है। हम बस जाके वहाँ पे जैसे फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मैं अभी दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है? अभी फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल मैं यहाँ गया एंड मैंने जस्ट क्रिप्टो न्यूज़ सर्च किया, जस्ट दैट्स इट। क्रिप्टो न्यूज़ मैंने सर्च किया, क्रिप्टो न्यूज़ में मैं भी मेरे के पास बहुत सारे हैं, ठीक है? ये कॉइन टेलीग्राफ है, कॉइन क्रिप्टो न्यूज़ है, कॉइन डेस्क है, बीन कॉइन है, क्रिप्टो न्यूज़ है, क्रिप्टो डॉट कॉम, कॉइन गेटवे ये इतने सारे ये सारे फ्री है। अब मैं किसी पे भी टैप कर दूँ, मैं फ्री में इनकी सारी जो इन्होंने न्यूज़ दी है, मैं पूरी तरीके से पढ़ सकता हूँ। जो मेरे को अच्छी लग रही है, मैं उसको टैप करके डिटेल में पढ़ सकता हूँ। सारी चीज़ें उन्होंने अपडेट फुल क्लियर अपडेट कर अब ये जो फ्री है, ये फ्री प्लेटफ़ॉर्म्स पैसे कैसे कमा रहे हैं? ये जनता-जनार्दन के लिए तो नहीं बने, ऑब्वियस सी बात है। ये सिर्फ़ लोगों की मदद करने के लिए नहीं बने हैं, ये बहुत ऑब्वियस सी बात है, ठीक है? ये बनी है पैसा कमाने के लिए ऑब्वियसली। अगर मैं कोई भी चीज़ अगर खोलता हूँ, चाहे वो एनजीओ ही क्यों ना हो, एक एनजीओ ही मैं बोल रहा हूँ। चाहे वो एक एनजीओ ही क्यों ना हो, मैं चाहूँगा कि एटलीस्ट मेरे पास कुछ तो पैसा आए जो मैं एटलीस्ट एम्प्लॉयी को तो दूँ। Even though I'm not filling my own pocket, but at least I should give to the employee, right? But those are free. We are not subscribed to it. We are not doing anything. We are just going and increasing the traffic. That's all. अभी कंसेप्ट समझ गया कि एक जगह पे अगर तुम सर्विस यूज करते हो, चाहे उसका तुम पैसा दे रहे हो या नहीं दे रहे हो, उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है। उससे कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है, ठीक है? बट फिर भी बट फिर भी वो कंपनी पैसा कमा रही है। कैसे? ये सेम चीज मैं गूगल पे के और फोन पे के लिए भी बोल सकता हूँ। अब गूगल पे, फोन पे एक डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन का प्लेटफॉर्म है। कोई एक्स्ट्रा फीस भी नहीं ले रहा है। अगर मैं अपने दोस्त को 10 रुपए भेजता हूँ तो मेरा दोस्त 10 रुपए रिसीव भी करता है। ना ही 0.5 पैसा एक्स्ट्रा, ना ही 0.5 पैसा कम। जैसा जितना भेजा उतना ही वो आगे रिसीव करता है। फिर ये गूगल पे, फोन पे, पेपाल और बहुत सारी ऐसी ऐप्स है जो हमें सिर्फ सर्विस यूज करने का मौका दे रही है जिससे उनको कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा हमारे हिसाब से। मैं अपने पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात कर रहा हूँ, ये जो हमारे जितने भी लोग हैं मैं उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू के हिसाब से बात कर रहा हूँ कि उनका फायदा तो नहीं हो रहा। सेम चीज, ये एग्जैक्टली सेम चीज बैंक का करती है। बैंक की जो हम सर्विसेज यूज करते हैं हमें लगता है कि यार मैंने 1000 भेजा, आगे वाले ने 1000 रिसीव किया। बैंक तो मेरे लिए फ्री ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहा है, पर ये कोई फ्री ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं होता। उनकी सर्विसेज यूज़ करने पे समहाउ जो मेरे को उस चीज़ का मेरे पास कोई लॉजिक नहीं है, ठीक है? मतलब मैं आई एम नॉट अ टेक्निकल काइंड ऑफ पर्सन बट मुझे ये एक चीज़ तो पक्का पता है कि उनकी सर्विसेज यूज़ करके उनको पैसा मिलता है एंड तुम शॉक हो जाओगे ये सुन के कि एक बैंक 1 साल में 500 से 600 करोड़ कमाता है, सिर्फ़ ये सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करके। जो हम फ्री में यूज़ कर रहे हैं। मतलब मोस्ट ऑफ द रिटेलर जो हम रिटे मतलब जो अ, मतलब नॉर्मल जो लोग इंसान नॉर्मल सिटीज़न लोग, नॉट एकदम वो बिज़नेसमैन, इंडस्ट्रियल मैन वो अलग उनका बात अलग हो गया, वो उनकी बात छोड़ते हैं हम। हमारे से लोग सिर्फ़ सर्विसेज़ फ्री में यूज़ करके भी वो हमसे इतना इतना पैसा निकाल लेते हैं, 500 से 600 करोड़, ठीक है? अब यही चीज़ें सब इतना पैसा बिन-फुकट का किसी और के जेब में जा रहा है। यही चीज़ सोच के इन्वेंशन हुआ था क्रिप्टो करेंसी का। क्रिप्टो करेंसी यही कंट्रोल और रेगुलेशन तोड़ने के लिए बना था जिसे हम बोलते हैं कि यार मनी एक करेंसी को फ्रीडम मिल गई। जैसे हमें फ्रीडम मिली थी, वैसी करेंसी को फ्रीडम मिल गई किससे? गवर्नमेंट और बैंक से क्योंकि वही 2 थे जो उनके रूल्स, रेगुलेशन कितना जाएगा, कितना आएगा, कितना इंटरेस्ट रेट होगा, कितना क्या होगा, ये सारी चीज़ें सिर्फ़ वही डिसाइड करते थे। अभी जैसे ही क्रिप्टो करेंसी लॉन्च हुई, इसका सबसे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा किसे हुआ? मुझे? नहीं। आपको? नहीं। आपके किसी दोस्तों को? नहीं। आपके परिवार वालों को? नहीं। आपके किसी जानने वाले को? नहीं। इसका सबसे ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हुआ है सिर्फ़ और सिर्फ़ बड़े लोगों को। क्यों? क्योंकि जब भी एक बड़ा बंदा, एक बहुत बहुत बड़े लोग जब एक इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं, उनकी इन्वेस्टमेंट बड़ी होती है, उनका ट्रांजैक्शन फीस बड़ा, उनको ज़रूरत है हर मोमेंट पे पैसा ट्रांज़ैक्ट करने की। अगर मैं एक कंपनी खोल लेता हूँ, मेरी खुद की कंपनी है, मुझे हर टाइम पे एक बैंक या किसी प्लेटफ़ॉर्म की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, जिससे मैं अपना पैसा ट्रांसफ़र कर पाऊँ। चाहे वो एम्प्लॉयी के लिए हो गया, चाहे वो बैंक के लिए हो गया, सॉरी, चाहे वो कंपनी के कोई भी चीज़ के लिए हो गया, कोई भी चीज़, कोई ही भी चीज़ के लिए हो गया, मुझे 24/7 नहीं बोल के 20 लेजिट 24/7 मुझे एक ट्रांज़ैक्शन प्लेटफ़ॉर्म चाहिए। अब अगर मेरे को एक ऐसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है जो 24/7 है एंड जो मेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा कमा ले रहा है, ये ट्रांज़ैक्शन फ़ीस एंड ऑल एंड ये सब करके, जिसमें भी मेरे को उन्हीं के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन के थ्रू जाना पड़ेगा, तो ये उनके लिए बहुत तकलीफ़दायक काम हो जाता है। इससे वो उनका पैसा जहाँ वो scam this website. What do you mean by scam? Scan? Is it scan or scam? And how can you scam this website? This is not website. This is live stream. My deposit note received, not received. Why your deposit didn't receive? Can you tell me your name? I will help you right over here. Okay, you don't have to worry regarding this. मैं आपकी मदद यहीं की यहीं करूंगा। अभी के अभी तुरंत के तुरंत आपको कस्टमर सर्विस से कनेक्ट करके आपका डिपॉजिट रिसीव हुआ नहीं हुआ, इन सब चीजों की मैं अभी तुरंत कर दूंगा। आप प्लीज मेरा आपका जो एक यूआईडी नंबर होता है, वो यूआईडी नंबर मुझे यहाँ पे कमेंट करके बताइए, और आपका नाम। मैं अभी के अभी ये सारी चीजें, और आपका कितना डिपॉजिट आना है और कितना नहीं आया है, ये सारी चीज़ें भी बताइए। मैं अभी के अभी ये चीज़ का आपकी हाफ एन आवर में सॉल्व करके दूँगा। अनिल भाई गोरिया, ठीक है? अनिल भाई गोरिया, आपका ना एक यूआईडी नंबर होगा, मतलब जिसका ना कि आपका अकाउंट नंबर, मतलब अकाउंट नहीं, एक यूआईडी नंबर बनता है स्पेसिफिक, जिससे आपका अकाउंट हम एक्सेस कर पाते हैं, कि देख पाते हैं कि प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है, ठीक है? तो आप प्लीज़ अपना यूआईडी नंबर मुझे बताइए, तो मैं ये अभी के अभी कस्टमर सर्विस के यहाँ पे मैं भेजता हूँ, और आपको कितना डिपॉज़िट आना है वो भी बताइए। चले गए क्या? अनिल भाई गौरिया, आर यू देयर ब्रदर? Raj Malay, hello Raj Malay. Welcome to the live stream of the rebate.com. या अनिल भाई गौरिया, आपका एक यूआईडी नंबर होगा, स्पेसिफिक यूआईडी नंबर। प्लीज वो यूआईडी नंबर और आपको कितना डिपॉजिट आना चाहिए था और नहीं आया है, वो भी मेरे को मेंशन करके बता दीजिए। यूआईडी है आपका वन, एक सेकेंड, विद इन हाफ एन आवर आपको कस्टमर सर्विस आपको कनेक्ट कर लेंगे, विद इन हाफ एन आवर। एंड आपको क्या इश्यूज है और कैसे रिजॉल्व होगा वो भी बता देंगे। आपको कितना डिपॉजिट आना बाकी है, प्लीज वो भी मेंशन करके बता दीजिए, तो मैं एग्जैक्ट वो उतना डिटेल उन्हें मैं आगे फॉरवर्ड कर देता हूँ अभी लाइव स्ट्रीम पे। ₹2,950 डिपॉजिट किया था, 32 यूएसडी। ओके, अभी तक आपके अकाउंट में रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हुआ है, आप ऐसा बोल रहे हैं राइट? कि आपने आईएनआर के हिसाब से 2,950 रुपए डिपॉजिट किया, बट 32 यूएसडीटी आपके अकाउंट में अभी तक आया नहीं है, राइट? यही प्रॉब्लम है? आपके एंड से पैसे कट चुके हैं वो आईएनआर में 2,950, बट हमारे तरफ से 32 यूएसडीटी अभी तक आपको क्रेडिट नहीं हुए हैं, यही बोलना चाहते हो ना? यूआईटी अनिल भाई, आपको 32 यूएसडी आए हैं या नहीं आए, ये प्लीज बता दीजिए। कल रात को डिपॉजिट किया था, अभी तक नहीं मिला, और कस्टमर सपोर्ट भी जवाब नहीं दे रहा है। ओके, अभी अभी तुरंत सॉल्व करेंगे इस चीज को। अनिल गोरिया, डिपॉजिट। क्योंकि कभी कभी कैसा होता है ना कि अभी आपने रात को किया ना, तो उसका डिपॉजिट का कोई टाइमिंग होगा कि मे बी 10 घंटे में आ जाएगा, 8 घंटे बाद आ जाएगा, तो वो जो भी प्रॉब्लम होगी कस्टमर सर्विस आपको जरूर बता देगा। डिपॉजिटेड 2950 डिपॉजिट किया है आपने इन नाइट, यस्टरडे नाइट, कल रात को। ओके, रुपीज यस्टरडे एंड येट 32 USD। Is the right reach out. But no response. Okay, please connect with him. Or his queries. मैंने टोकन रेस कर दिया आपके साइड, मतलब मेरे साइड से मैंने आपके लिए टोकन रेस कर दिया है। ओके, आपको बस हाफ एन आवर में आपका जो भी एक रिस्पॉन्स होगा वो आपके लिए आ जाएगा। एक तो हाफ एन आवर में मेरे ख्याल से तो आपको यही आ जाएगा सीधा। You try to reach out to customer support but no response, please connect with him for this query। ठीक है अनिल भाई कोरिया, आपको रिस्पॉन्स आ जाएगा। मैंने यहाँ से टोकन रेज कर दिया है, तुरंत के तुरंत आपको एक रिस्पॉन्स जरूर आ जाएगा। टेंशन मत लीजिए, हाफ एन आवर। और मैं यही हूँ, हाफ है, मैं 4 बजे तक यही हूँ लाइव स्ट्रीम पे। तो आपको कोई दिक्कत लेने की जरूरत नहीं कि मैं भाग जाऊंगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, मैं यही हूँ। ठीक है, मैं यही हूँ, आप टेंशन मत लीजिए, कहीं नहीं जाएगा पैसा। कुछ चीजें हो गई होगी, हो जाएगा, पर हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा। ना ऐसे, देयर इज नो इशू। सी, आपको सी आ गया, एक रिप्लाई भी आ गया, आपको एक बंदा असाइन भी हो गया है। हमारे जो कस्टमर सर्विस का एक जो एम्प्लॉय है वो आपको असाइन भी हो चुका है, मुझे दिख रहा है यहाँ पे। तुरंत ही तुरंत वो आपको कनेक्ट कर देगा। ओके, राज राज कनेक्ट कर लेगा आपको, राज नाम होगा उसका। ओके, डन, असाइन हो चुका है आपको एक कस्टमर सर्विस, एंड राज नाम है उसका, वो आप कनेक्ट कर लेगा तुरंत ही तुरंत में। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। कोई भी तकलीफ होगी प्लीज मेक श्योर करना कि लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आके आप उसे रिजॉल्व कर ले, या फिर जो भी आपको कोई भी कहे कि अगर आपको ट्रेड नहीं समझ रहा है, ट्रेड लेना है, ट्रेडिंग सीखना है, कुछ भी कोई भी तकलीफ होती है, लाइव स्ट्रीम उसी के लिए बना हुआ है। ठीक है, आपको कोई भी तकलीफ हो, जिस तरीके भी तकलीफ हो, प्लीज लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आए एंड अपनी तकलीफें बताए और सॉल्व करके चले जाए। ओके, तो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट, हम बात कर रहे थे। So we were talking about ki, what we were talking about. One second. We were talking about a good thing. Yeah, like the reason why big player has a lot. Please provide the order. Okay. So cryptocurrency is just, when it was invented, it is just as a transaction. It is not actual gold or something. Okay, it's not. ADA ask. Customer went. Customer is not here anymore. If he comes back to the live stream, I'll surely will ask him to do that. But right now, yeah. No, he was not there. If Anil Bhai Goria, Anil Bhai Goria is not active right now on the live stream. I will say feedback. How do I reply? I will, one second, one second. He he left stream. If he comes back, I will surely. We are saying okay. Coming back, we'll come back to what we were speaking. It's just like I have to raise an issue. I raised it and it is done. Okay. So coming back to our topic. So the cryptocurrencies are used for. Okay, let it be. So the cryptocurrencies are used for transactions. We don't have that much of transaction to make via cryptocurrency. We use our normal currencies, but this big player, corporate people, industrial people, they need this currency for transactions, for any kind of things. Like whenever they feel like a bank is not helping, whenever they feel like this, via with the help of the cryptocurrency we can make a transaction more easier, more safer, and we don't even have to give a lot of money, because they invested in a very early period of a time, and right now they are having a so much of like value. Like they invested at the time of when the cryptocurrency was like what's it's 40, 50, 100,000, 10,000, and now it's sitting at 1 lakh dollar. Okay, 115K dollar it is sitting at. That is a difference what they are having in their wallet, bank account, wherever they are keeping it, and they use it for the transactions. Whenever they are in the need of anything, they use it for a simple transactions. Get that thing in the head. Okay, that's why they don't come and they like enter in the market and they have some profit and they exit. No, they don't want to. They want to have the future currency in their hands so that they can use it in the future. Very simple as that. This cryptocurrency is nothing other than a next gen phase of the currencies, which they want to have it in their holding as much as possible. That's why a lot of corporate people, you have must have heard about this trend, like every corporate people are backing up their company. Sorry, they're backing up their company, and a lot of they're backing up their companies with a huge amount of cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, because these are the two stable coins which is out there. Other than this, there are no stable coin, but these are the one of the best stable coin which is out there. Bitcoin and Ethereum, the OGs, you can clearly say. After that, everything was based on their black blockchain, and then they formed. Okay, now most of the people, they're just stacking up their money. Corporate people, they are just buying, stacking up, stacking. Now this stacking, what they are doing is they are just putting their money and leaving, putting their money leaving, not coming like for, let's say they are not selling. Till now they haven't sold anything what they have in their wallet. They might use it for the small transaction. That is not an issue. That is not what I'm trying to tell you about. I'm just telling you that they don't use it to sell like in 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Maybe the whales may do it. Whales are not industrial and corporate people. Whales are just those very rich people, like very rich people who have a huge amount of money, and they want to they don't have anything to invest, so they invest in a cryptocurrency in the starting period of a time, and have a huge amount of ROI right now. Rate of interest, it's huge for them. So whenever right now we see a price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, blah 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 blah. Everywhere, wherever, if any coin has a very huge stacked up money, stack. If this money goes away, the complete value will drop. The complete value will drop in the market, because what is holding the value of Bitcoin in 115K dollar? What is it that Bitcoin value is holding? It just and just people's money. That's people money is holding this value. That is a very simple thing. Okay, very simple thing I will tell you. People's money is holding that value. If people doesn't have that, if people never invested this much money, never stacked this much money inside the Bitcoin market or live pool or wherever it is going, the Bitcoin would have never been 115K dollar. Okay, so making the market, dropping the market is in the hand of big players. The currency got freedom. That's a true fact. But at the end, if let's say if like there is no government, no bank, no nobody is out there, then who will be having a control? Obviously the rich people. Now that's what they are doing. They are trying to get a control over the future. They are trying to get a control over the future, as in they are trying to get this thing, like they are trying to have a lot of holding into their hands, so that nobody can, they can protect themselves from getting inflation, any interest or anything in the farmers future. They're protecting themselves, and that's what we should do as well. But I get it, we don't have the same investment, yes, and that's the problem. But i I will help you. You don't have to worry regarding anything. Okay, I will help you in this case scenario. What you need to do is follow my instructions step by step, and do some research as well, because without research this is not possible. Without some efforts you cannot be a whale in the market. It is very, very important. Okay, he cannot become a whale, you cannot become a whale if you are not doing a proper research of the market and every of those things. I've told you what you need to learn, what you need to do, and every of those things I've told you already. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna buy heavy quantity. Now you will be like, we don't have investment. Heavy quantity buying investment. Heavy quantity. I'm talking about heavy quantity like 50,000 coins, maybe 1 lakh coins. Yeah, maybe 1 lakh coins. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. How is it possible? I'll show you. You can have 50,000 coins. You can either have 1 lakh coins, and I will be telling you how you can actually have this much amount of thing and this much amount of coins, like this much amount of coin, 50,000 or 1 lakh amount of coin, and which can become this. Let it be. I will show you directly. I will show you directly. Why to spoil your fun? I will show you directly how it can become. What we have to do for it, first we have to go for trading view, because trading view is one of the best platform for us to check out all and track all the market. And that's what we need. We don't need a specific, we need all the market to be tracked down. Decline offer, market, crypto overview. Okay, that's what I do. Simple step. What I did first, I just went to trading view platform. I came on the market, and then I came on the cryptocurrency, and then I came on the overview. That's all. That's all. That's all it will be taken. Now, from here, what you need to do is, from here you need to go down, 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 until you see this. Until you see crypto collections. This is where the real deal game will happen in your, like, this is the real deal thing. What you need to do, this is the real thing. What you need to find, this is the thing. You don't need to check the market cap, blah 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 blah, this game, like all the thing. You don't have to check nothing. Just come to the crypto collections. That's all. Now what is crypto collections? Crypto collections is basically a filter out stuffs for all of you. We, like, everybody asks, like, what are those top coins I should be trading on? What are those coins which is most highly volatile? What are those coins which everybody is trading right now? Everybody has these questions, like everybody has these questions about crypto, like which are those coins, which are those coins, which are those coins. Now here are those coins. Crypto collection gives you a complete varieties of filter out coins which you can have use of in taking a trade, in making heavy investment, everything. Okay, this whale does spot trading. Okay, this is not any future trading tips and tricks. Okay, please make sure this one very specific thing, that this is not a future trading tips or tricks. This is for spot trading. Understand this very specific thing. I am telling you a trick of a spot trading, not of a future trading. Okay, understand these things. Okay, so in the spot trading, spot trading, Now crypto collection, you understand what crypto collection is. Crypto collection is basically all the filter out, every coins which is filter out for you already. You can clearly see all the filters, all coins. Obviously the name says every coin is there. Total value locked rank, DeFi coins, gainers, losers, large cap, small cap, most traded with the balance, most daily active addresses, most transactions, high transaction value, volume, lowest supply, highest supply, most expensive, most volatile, high, all time low, 52-week high, 52-week low. Complete, complete. Just by reading 2 to 3 filters, I have answered your question. Some people ask it like which are the highest, which are those coin which has very high money inflowing and money outgoing, highest transaction volume. These are the highest transaction volume which has lot of inflows and lot of outflows. Most transaction, which are those coin which is like most traded right now. These are the coin which is most traded right now. Most daily active addresses, these are the coin which has most daily active addresses, which means daily a lot and lot of buying selling has been happened at this coins. Most addresses with balance. What kind of balance? Heavy balance is being bought, not a small but heavy balance are bought. Most traded, these are the coin which are most traded in the in cryptocurrencies. Small cap, which has a small cap as in like a total value of that XYZ coin. Small cap, large cap, losers, gainer, DeFi coins. Now DeFi coin is something which you need to know. DeFi coin are basically those coin which is not in the control of the government at all. At all, I'm talking about at all. DeFi are decentralized platform where the centralized power, there is no centralized power. Centralized power comes where? Some coins have centralized power. Some coins are actually centralized coin as well. Some, very some. I'm talking about some, not everybody, some. Why they don't have a power of a DeFi? It's a decentralized platform. No, you cannot interfere. Do not look into my tiffin box. I will eat everything what I made. Simple as that. It's exactly simple as that. Don't look into my tiffin box. I will eat everything what I made. That's all. Okay, so this is all the things for all of you people. First, filter out things. Now everybody has their own choice. Okay, I cannot like tell you like go for this, go for that, go for this, go for that, go for this, go for that. No, everybody has their own choices. But one of my favorite thing is 52-week high. That's my favorite thing. 52-week high is my favorite thing. Now, what is 52-week high? 52-week high is basically like you must have understood by 52-week that means 1 year. A 1 year has almost 52 to 53 weeks. Okay, in a year there are 52 to 53 weeks in a year. Got it? Now 52-week high is basically in a complete 1 year, in a complete 1 year, complete I'm talking about, like in a whole year, which is that coin which is performing the good. Like if you consider like example, if there is one horse, we are going for horse racing and we bet on one horse. That horse has been bet for like years. Every race he has won. Fifth race, if I come as a newbie, I don't know anything, I ask which is the horse which has run the last time. They say this is the horse which ran, which coming first, which is performing good for 5 races. Obviously I'll put the money on that coin itself. The same thing, the same exact thing is 52-week high. 52-week high will show you those coins which has performed good in an year wise. What kind of percentage it has been up, what in like, it will give you the whole performance review, like 1 month what it did, 3 months what it did, 6 month, 1 year, what kind of volume it came, and blah 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 blah. From the start of the 1 year till the right now coin, what kind of growth that coin need, everything will be shown in this 52-week high. Now let's just go to the 52-week high, but I'm just telling you we can go for different thing as well. It's not just specifically like you can go for 52-week. The other favorite one of mine of this filter is lowest supply. Okay, see, most daily active addresses, most transactions, highest transaction value, and most traded. This five. Let's see, one, two, three, four, five. These five coins are for the short-term funds, like everyday volume you can see, everyday short-term fund you can have. Every day you can earn a good amount of money with this. Most traded, most address with balance, most active addresses, most transactions, and highest transaction value. These are the five filters which you can use for having a good amount of daily income. Daily income, what we do, like we enter, we saw profit, we exit, we enter, we saw profit, we exit. Those can be used with this five: most traded, most address with balance, most daily active addresses, most transactions, highest transactions volume. Okay, do not go for most volatile, because see, if you are a person who doesn't have a market knowledge, who doesn't know how to read a market, who doesn't know how to take an entry, exit, or have a target or any kind of system, and doesn't understand volatility. So, volatile. Okay, so for you, do not enter in this situation, because these are those coin which drops like a drops in second, goes up in a second, drops in second, goes up in a second. Heavy volatile. Okay, it doesn't have a stable thing. It might drop 1,000 to 2,000 to 3,000 prices drop in 1 hour, or it can also go up in 10,000, 20,000 up in like 2 to 3 hours. Okay, so when, if you are into a wrong position, then this might be a very risky thing for you. So if you are a good experienced person in the market, experience as in, I'm not saying, I'm not talking about, hello new user Shitu Abba and user 497609, welcome to the live stream of the Zbit. My name is Yash Prawar, and I am showing you the way how you can actually earn. Okay, okay, and I am showing you a actual way how you can earn a very good amount of money, the same way, exactly the same way how a whale invest, exactly the same. What whale does, they find a coin at the cheapest point and they sell it at the highest point. Exactly, that's the same thing which we're gonna do, but our target is a small target. Their target is a big target. They wait for the coin to reach maybe 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 60, 1 lakh kind of thing, and then they take the money out. But we will take our money out at $1 itself. Yes, you heard it right. We are at a 52-week high. Okay, now these are all the coins, like come from, like, there are 25 coins. Okay, there are 25 coins right now which have been performing good in an yearly wise, like whole year they have performed good. You can check out by this, like I will show you one second. I don't, why where is that thing? I wanna, what you got Bamba. But performance, I want to see for whole year. Why you are not letting me see it? Okay, okay, got it. Okay, let's start from the normal one. Okay, so this is an overview. In overview, you will just see the normal thing, like what the price is, what's the rank, market cap, 25 volumes, okay, supply, blah 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 blah. Do we have to do any? Do we need this information? Yes, but right now, no. First step was just to come and go at the 52-week high. That's all. That's our performance. Then come to performance, because that's what is needed the most than the price. We come and we check the performance. Change percent in 24 hours, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. And if I scroll to this side, it will have from 6 month, 1 year, 1 year, 5 year, 10 year, all time. 1 year you can clearly see all time, and you can also see, check out the volatility percentage, so that you will be safe from knowing if in an yearly wise, 2 yearly wise, what kind of volatility you can see, what kind of percentage, what kind of height, what kind of profit you can have. But like I said to you, our target is set. Our target is not big, our target is very small, very small. Okay. So first, we check out the performance. Which are those coin which perform actually really good, really good. Okay, in and whole yearly wise and blah 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 scenario. We don't want such kind of like 4, 7, 9, 10. No, no. At least 2 to 3 digits like this. Like event is performed good by 78%, 24 hours, 191, 918, 918, 918, and so on and so on and so on and so on and so on. That's kind of percentage we need. Now once you find out this kind of coins, like at least have 5 to 6 coins for your watch. You have, I have STBL, okay, one which is 36 2024, 204, 204, 204, 204, 204, 204, and an all-time was 100,000. Volatility percentage 43, 43.4, 45. Okay, okay, because we need volatility. Okay, we are in the need of that. It's not like we don't need it, we are in the need. Other than, we need, okay, this is better. Rain 3.35%, 77, 7,000, 7,800, blah 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 blah. So we will check out this rain as well. Okay, so what we need to do is just find out the highest percentage performance in the market, which was in the 52 week high. That's all. Okay, after finding, after filtering out, okay, I'm filtering out 4 to 5 to 6 coins for yourself, then you come to the overview. Okay, now you know which were the coins, which were those coins which gave you xyz 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 performance, very good performance. Now then we come to the overview. We check what first? We check the market cap. No, no, sorry, market, no, supply cap, circuit supply. Because if the supply is very big, like billions and trillions, then it takes very slow growth in the market. The less the supply, the highest and fast the growth is. Understand this psychology. Okay, is basically low supply, high demand, high supply, less demand. Simple. Okay, so if your supply is very high, the growth you may see but very slow. The same thing which is happening with Solana as well, the same thing which is happening with XRP as well. There is growth, they are also considered as a top 10 coins, top 20 coins, but what about the value? Why the value is not increasing? This is the reason why value is not increasing, because supply is so much. Even if a lot of like this whales industry people, they go on buying, buy, but there is still so much supply left that the value cannot touch that height. Which if the same amount, if for example let's say they bought 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs of XRP coins, same amount of coin if they buy of Ethereum, the Ethereum price will jump like this: 10%, 20%, 30% will jump. Why? Because supply is less over here. XRP supply is very huge. So always whenever you are investing in any coin, let's say the trick which I'm showing you, like which you can invest same exact way like a whale. Exactly, you can earn almost like $1 lakh to $50,000. You can have it maybe after, like, see, I won't commit you on the time it may take, maybe 1 year, maybe 2 year, maybe 3 year, but trust me on this, you can end up having 1 lakh to 120, maybe 2 lakh dollars in your wallet once. Okay, so for that, always and always check the circuit supply. What amount of circuit supply of that XYZ coin is having? If it's million, fine. If it's in a 2 digit billion, fine. It should not be 3 digit billion or trillion. Then it will be end up having, you might have to look for like maybe 5 to 10 years, and then the target will complete. Okay, we need quick, fast thing. We cannot wait, because I know whenever we invest our money into something, we are we lose patience. We don't have that patience to wait. Okay, so always Check the performance first. What kind of performance and monthly wise, 3 years, 4 years, 6 years, and yearly wise that XYZ coin gave. One second. One second. अरे यार, connect fast. Okay. So first you will check the performance, how the performance is. Performance we don't need in single or double digit, okay? Because we are talking about yearly wise performance. Yearly wise performance at least should be in triple digits, like 150, 200, 300, 1000 or whatever. We saw 4 to 5. First was the rain we saw, then we saw STBL, and one more we saw. One more from downside we saw. STB and Rain we saw. And what else? What else? There was some one more. Yeah, Kibu coin. Okay, Kibu coin and Ping Pong and Rain and STBL. Okay, these are the four coins: Kibu coin, Rain coin, Ping Pong, and STBL. These are the four coins which we'll be checking out right now. Okay. Overview, we saw that their all the four coins performance was in 3 digits in yearly wise, 3 digit percentage. Like someone was had 700 percentage, 700% growth in the market in 6 year, 3 year, blah blah. We need such kind of places. We don't want to bet our money in the losing horse. Understand this point. We want to bet our money on the winning horse, the horse which is winning, that we will put our money on that horse. We won't put our money which is already losing, because see, it's basically rich and poor mentality. I have seen people who in the YouTube channel as well, like who tell like go for 52-week low. That time the coins are all in the losing, like in the cheapest price. If a coin is already falling, why should I buy it? If a coin is going up, that's the coin which I should buy, right? So where were we? Yeah. So we were at Kibu coin, and then we are at Pingu, Ping Pong, Rain, and STBL. Okay, so these are these coins. Okay, got it? Cool. We'll check first Kibu coins price. Kibu coins price is 0.06. Okay, we'll write it down. Okay, we'll write it down. We'll write it down somewhere. We'll write it down over here. We'll write it down over here. What are those coins which you can invest? Okay, like how you can actually become a very rich kind of person. Trust me on that. We'll go for first. First is Kibu coin, which is pricing at 0.06. 0.065. Let's also add 5. Okay, USD. Got it. Now next we'll go for second will be let's make it separate. This is the first. Now second was Ping Pong. Ping Pong is at 0.09. Okay, Ping Pong is at 0.09. Second, Ping Pong 0.09 USD. Next. Rain is at 0.004. Okay, got it. Rain, third coin is Rain, which is at 0.004 USD. Now let's go for fourth one was STBL, right? I remember STBL, but what was the price of STBL was STBL price is 0.406. 0.406 is an STBL price. Okay. 0. One second, I forgot. 0.4. USD. Got it? Yeah. Now you will be like asking like why you took a coin which is under $1. Okay. Because that's what I wanted. There might be other coins as well which are performing good, but they are above the dollar, like 2, 1,000 or 12, 500, 1, 700, 3, 3,000. See, I don't want to go for those. Neither you want to go for those. Okay, we are gonna go for those coins which are under $1, which are not even $1 right now, not even $1, not even $1. Okay, we have to find out good performance of such coins. Kibo coin, Pingo, Rain, STB. Now we saw performance of them. We checked out the prices, right? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna more filter out. Now what are we gonna do for filter out thing? How are we gonna do a filter out thing? We are gonna do more filter out by the circuit supply. What is a circulating supply of that XYZ coin? First was Kiba coin, Kibu coin, Kibu coin. Where is Kibu coin now? Yeah, okay, this is oh, Kibo. I think I pronounced it right. Kibo. Okay, Kibo coin. What are we gonna check? Circuit supply. Like I said, it is okay if it is million billion. Okay, not trillion, but billion as well if it's in two digit only. Okay, so Kibu has 14.4 billion. That is actually a lot, but okay, we'll let it go. We'll let it go. We'll see the next one. Pingo has 237 million only. Good. It is very good that it is just 237 million. Okay. So Pingo is priority right now. Then came the Rain. Rain is 172.5 billion. Too much. Too much. Too much. The growth will be very slow. It depends on the circuit supply. If you have so much to give, then even if you sell 50%, like even if you sell like let's go like where, how much is it, where is it, 172, 172.5 billion. Even if I go like, for some people invest 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, which is actually a lot, but still, let's say if they invested, like the market won't jump, it will go like 0.5 maybe. That much slow growth it will have. So will not take Rain. Rain is out of the race. And then was STV. No, Pingo was in. Rain is out. Kibu coin we are checking out if we have to keep or not. And STBL is also just 500 million. So two people are on the race. Pingo coin and STBL. Kibo coin, well, we will see. Kibo coin we will see. Okay, Kibo coin will keep in the side, but not for, like, actually we might invest less in the Kibo coin and high in the where is it, ping pong and STBL coin. Okay, now we have, let's delete Rain from over here. This is Pingo is top priority, and then STBL, and then Kibo. This is the list. Okay, top priority. First, second, third. Okay, now before moving forward, I want to explain you something what is called as circulating supply and the overall supply. It's basically the difference is one is go down and one is a shop. In a go down, there is every like complete supply, and from there, circulating supply will go to a shop which will be supplied. Simple. It is exactly like this. Exactly like this. Circulating supply is basically which is now ready for supplying, for buying, and for selling. And the other supply is just sitting like this much. So we already have, like we have, like let's say I have 1 trillion. Out of 1 trillion, I have right now 500 million to supply. 500 I can go for buy, 500 million I can go for sell. Understood? Okay. Now we have ping pong, STBL, Kibo coin. Now, how much you can earn in what kind of coin, what kind of investment you will need, everything. Let's discuss over here. Okay, because now I filter out. This is what you need to do exactly. Go filter out from filter out, and then come to this platform. I told you what are the this thing performance. Performance should be the double or triple digits. Circuit supplies should be like in millions or billions or billions, then 2 digit, no trillion at all. Okay, and coins which is below the dollar, below dollar coins, no above dollar coins. Your coin should be all below dollar coin. I will show you how you can earn 50,000 to 1 lakh dollars in just 1 to 2 years. This is the perfect way for you to earn 50,000 to 1 lakh dollars in just 1 to 2 years. Okay, you saw all the process what you need to do. Now we came to the final part. Final part, we filter out 3 coins for us: Pingo, Ping Pong, STBL, and Kibo coin. From where? From this 52-week high. We saw, I told you all the process, all the steps already. Okay. Now, what we need to do? We need to research regarding Ping Pong, STBL, and Kibo coin. Simple, what we need to do is go at the chat GTP, ask them what are the utility of this XYZ coin. Ping pong is used for what? STBL is used for what? Kibo coin is used for what? Every cryptocurrency has their use cases. Every cryptocurrency has their utility. Everyone. Okay. Some and everyone has their unique transaction fees and fastest or cheapest transaction fees as well. Every coin has it. Every coin has it. Got it? Now you went there, you research everything, okay, like which is one of those coins which is not helpful for you. No, do not go for your mentality, do not go for your thought process. No, you should go for the higher, the upper. We should go for upper people's mentality, what they might think. Can they use this coin? Can they invest in this coin? Because that's what their investment is going to make it go reach that target which we need. Not our investment. Our investment won't make it reach that target. Okay, leave our money. We have to focus on their money. Their money will make it invest. Their investment will make this coin go up. So is it useful enough for the big player? Is it useful enough for any industrial corporate people? That's what we have to check. Okay, once we check that thing, now I will show you one very specific. You will be amazed. First was ping pong, right? First was ping pong. Yeah, ping pong. Ping pong has very less supply zone, circuit supply. But let's check ping pong 1 second. What it was the all-time high of ping pong? All-time high of ping pong was 0.09, and right now it is at 0.98, and right now it is 0.92. That means that not there is no that much of difference between all-time high to right now about a point. Okay, so that's good. That's good. Circulating supply is 237 million. Total supply is 1 billion. Okay, and max supply is also 1 billion. Supply, see, supply means what? government prints the money all the time whenever they are in need, yearly wise or whenever they are in the need. Okay, like now we new note will print. That's basically supply. Okay, in the cryptocurrency, maximum supply means after this 1 billion, no more of ping pong you can ever exist. Once the complete 1 billion is gone from the market, that's it. Until unless that next person will sell to you, you cannot have a ping pong coin or something, whatever it is. Okay, that is the understanding. Now, circuit supply at right now time is very less. That is good. That's what we need. That it should be less. Less supply, good demand, good price, good value, quick go up. Okay. And all-time high is also not that huge difference. Current market is 0.092. All-time high is 0.098. That's all. Okay. Now, what we do? We go on ChatGPT. We ask ping pong, ping pong coin is at 0.092 USD. I want I want 1 lakh. Let's go for 1 lakh. I want 1 lakh coin. How much investment should I? How much investment do I need? Okay, so coin price ping pong 0.092, 1 lakh quantity, 1 lakh coins of that thing. Investment is blah blah and this, so it will become 9,200 USDT. You will need 9,200 USDT, basically 7.68 lakh. Okay, let's see that that's too much. Actually, that's too much. Let's go for 50,000 coins. 50,000 coins is enough. 50,000 coins. 3.84 lakhs. That is okay. That is okay amount which can be used to invest. Okay. Now, invested. I'll do it for both, I feel. Okay. Investment is investment 1 lakh coin. It will become 1 lakh for 1 lakh coin. How much? 7,000. When is 1 lakh coin? Yeah. 1 lakh coin will be 9,200. 9,200. 9,200 USD. 50,000 coins. It will become, what was it for 50,000? It's 4,600. 4,600 USD. Investment. This is the ping pong investment. If you want to have 1 lakh coins, then 9,200 USD. If you want to have 50,000 coins, then 4,600 USD. This is what you have to invest. But what will be the return? My profit if coin is I need 30 USDT in my wallet, please. Yeah, you can have it, brother. You can have it. You can go for deposit. You deposit that 30 USDT will be something XYZ INR. You deposit that INR and you will receive your USDT surely very fast in your wallet. Okay. You need to deposit first. You cannot get it free, brother. You deposit the INR money and you will get it. No worries. Okay. So this is I tell me about $1 lakh as well. Both I need. Okay. Both your buy price, blah 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 blah. Profit, total profit. What kind of profit? 1 second. Okay. So we'll go back here. My profit will become 45,000 for this 45,400 for 50 investment. Profit 45,400 USD. Profit 90,800 USD. 90,800 USD. That's your profit over here for ping pong. Now, understood what you did? Very simple thing you did. Ping pong ball is right now at 0.09. Supply is very less. So touching a coin which is 0.09 can touch to $1 in possibly 1 to 2 years. You invested, you got you to, like, there are two plans. Okay, either you can have 50,000, either you can have 1 lakh. You can have less as well. It depends on you. It depends on you. If you want to have less, you can go for less. Hi, hello, user 792019. My name is Yash. Welcome to the live stream of the Zibit.com. Right now, I'm just telling you regarding, like, in Nigeria, right? Yeah, Nigeria, English. So right now, I'm just telling you regarding how you can actually earn the same amount, which, not the same amount, but the same strategy which Wales uses. Okay, to buy in the cheap price and sell in the highest price. And this strategy, why it is very efficient? Because our target is not big. Our target is just $1. That's all our target is. $1. That's all. Do not be greedy in this point of time. Just have a small target that is just $1 is my target. That's all. Just $1. Once the coin touches $1, that's my profit and I'm taking my money out. I don't want to keep it for 10, 20, 30 because that will take again more years. Why should I wait for more when I can have and I can take and I can enjoy? So you invested when the price is at 0.01 USDT. You invested for 1 lakh coin, that will be amount of 9,200 USDT. Okay, and INR it would be approx 7, in let's say in INR it will be approximately 7.6 lakhs, 7 lakh. Let's consider 7 lakh. In INR it will be almost 7 lakh rupees you invested in that coin. After the coin touches just $1, just $1 that coin touches, your profit is gonna be turning from 9,200 to 90,800. The shift, the shift of the market you will see from 9,200 you will go for 90,800 USD, which will be approximately what kind of value it will be in INR. In INR it would be almost 75.8 lakhs. Basically you are shifting from 7 lakhs to 75 lakhs just by investing into such coins which is not even a dollar and just waiting for them to turn dollar. And I told you the trick is on the supply, circuit supply. If circuit supply is very huge, even if you spend billions and billions of dollars in that investment, the price will have slow growth. If there is no good supply, then the price will increase fast. That's the trick, that's the main trick. Trust me on this. Okay, so make sure that you are using the same trick. In ping pong you can actually earn from investment of 9,200 USDT, it can go up to 90,800 USDT. See, now about the timing, I don't know, it might take 1 year, it might take 2 year, it might take 3 years. About the timing I cannot say what kind of timing it will take, but trust me, with the investment of 9,200 USDT, once the coin touches just $1, you can completely have 90,800 USDT in your holding. If that coin touches just $1, if let's say you don't want to invest $1 lakh, let's say you don't want to invest 1 lakh coin, you don't need 1 lakh coins. Oh, okay, totally fine. 50,000 coins. How much investment? 4,600 USD. 4,600 USD investment. What kind of coin, what kind of profit you will be having? 45,400 profit when the coin touches $1. This is journey to $1. Okay, I'll write profit after $1. Profit after coin touches 1 USD. Okay, so this is profit after the coin touches USDT. Right now it is 0.09. When the coin touches 1 USDT, this is what you can have. And the supply, see, all these are filtered out from this trading view. 52-week high, I have filtered out every of those coins for you, which has low supply. Circuit supply just 237 million. It's not a big supply, it is very less supply. So with a very small investment, the coin value can go above that what we have seen in the performance as well. In the performance you can see 2.83%, 9.2, 160, 160, 160. Let's go a little this. Okay, where is it, 160, 160, 160, 160, 160. Everywhere you can see profit, 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 profit. That's why if such kind of coin is giving you in 52-week a very good amount of appraisal, then that's the coin you should be investing. A very quick money, like the same way like a whales do. They stack their money. They just don't come, enter and exit with the profit. No, enter, put a heavy investment in the market, like such kind of investment, and wait for 1 to 2 years and then take out your big amount of profit. But first you have to do a very heavy investment. 50 coins, 4,600 USD, which in INR will be INR. Where is it? Yeah, in INR it will be 3 lakh, 3 lakh, 3.8 lakhs, almost let's say 4 lakhs, almost let's say 4 lakh. 4 lakhs you have to invest. But what will be your return? Your return will be like from 4,600 USDT. After the coin touches $1, it will become 45,400 USD when the coin touches $1. And what is 45,000 will be 37.19 lakh. You invested 3, you got 37. Are you seeing a difference over here? You invested just 3, but you got 37 lakhs in return. This is the way you should invest. The same way big people like big players, big whales invest. They find such kind of coin which is very low in the price at the right now point, and then they let the coin go up, 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 and touch an higher price. They go for like they go for $10, they go for 100, they go for 20,000, 10,000. No, our target is very less, just $1. That's all. Once the coin touches $1, take your money out, because you know crypto is very volatile market. $1 can again go to 0.5, then again more down. So why risk? Achieve target, go out of the market. Simple as that. That was for ping pong. The investment nine. If you want 1 lakh coin, then you have to go for 9,200 USD. If you have to invest for 50,000 coin, then you have to go for 4,600 USD. The profit after, and this I'm talking about spot. Okay, this is spot. No future trading. Spot trading I'm talking about. After the coin touches $1, you can have either 90 or you can have either 45, depending on what investment you do. This is for ping pong. Now let's do it for STB and Kibo coin. This two coin is also having a very less circuit supply. 0.4, 0.065. Now stable was at stable. Yeah, this is stable growth is like more than ping pong. It is almost 200, 1,000 in all time high. Can you see percentage of all time high is 1,189.69 percentage all time high. That means a huge growth is there. And about the overview, stable overview, circuit supply is very important, because circuit supply will define if the growth of the coin is slow or fast. More the circuit supply, less the growth. Less the circuit supply, fast the growth. Understand this thing. Okay, so in here STBL has circuit supply of what? 500. That's all, which is less. Now we'll go and check out if the all-time high, what was an all-time high of STBL before and blah. Okay. So previous all-time high of STBL is 0.46, and right now current market is going out at 0.39. Okay. That's not big of a difference. Sometime you must have noticed that like a lot of those people, same trick has been used for lot of people. It's not just me who is using it. There are a lot of people who are using it. You might find some coins like the coin right now is at 0.005, but they have already made an all-time high of $1. That's the same trick which I'm telling you. Same exact trick which I'm telling you right now. That let the coin, choose a coin which is just under $1, let them become $1 and take a profit and run away, enjoy your life. You don't need to work all the day, you need to enjoy your life, and you have to do it from 52-week high. See, crypto market, this is a crypto collections, this all are filter outs cryptocurrencies for all of you. Everything is filtered out. Total value, DeFi coin, rankers, loser, large cap, small cap, blah 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 blah. If you want to do short term trading, like short term fun, like enter profit exit, enter profit exit, then go for like most traded with balance, most daily active addresses, most transactions, and highest transaction volumes. These are the 5 coins for your entry, profit, exit. But for spot trading, these are for futures. Like you can go for a future like entry, exit, profit, exit. But for spot trading, you can go for 52-week high. Tap on this, you will see all those. Right now, it is 25 coins. All the 25 coins are right over here. In that, what you need to do is first find out the performance. Straightly go to performance. check out which of the coin is performing in 2 digit performance or 3 digit, means either 64 one and like 3 digit 167 3 digit 800 805 805 and blah 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 blah. In here hyperbot is also like 105 32,000 32,000. I didn't check hyperbot, sorry. 32,000 32,000 32,000 38,000 plus. Then such kind of where the performance is very high. Okay, not low like this kind of like 60 90, no. 12 80, no. 2 2 2 2, no. We need such kind of like 190. Where is that, where is that, where is that, where is that, where is that? Hyperbot, yeah. This is 1000. 38,000, 38,000. Such kind of coin which is rising up very fast. After checking out the performance, we come on the overview, and then we check the circuit supply. What is a circuit supply? Circuit supply is very important because circuit supply defines if the growth of that XYZ coin will be fast or will be slow. That what it defines, if the growth of XYZ thing will be fast or will be slow. Got it? Now circuit supply of hyperbot is what? 125.83 million. We'll tap on this and then we'll check something. All time high. All time high is what? 1.24. Current market is going at 1.14. That's no much of a big difference. That is okay. Okay, cool. Then we will aim for buying high quantity. What kind of quantity? We'll go for buying like maybe buy like 50,000 quantity or 40,000 quantity of that coin. Invest, wait for 1 to 2 years. Let that coin touch $1. It touched $1 and that's your exit. That's your complete exit. Your small investment became a big investment. This is how exactly how whales invest in the market. Exactly the same how whales invest in the market. They find a coin at a low price, they stack it with a big quantity, not with 1 2 3, no, no, no. 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50, 50 lakh, 50,000, 1 lakh, such kind of coins, quantity of coins, not one ping pong, two ping pong, 10 ping pong, no. 50,000 ping pong, 10,000 ping pong, such kind of quantity. Invest, wait, let the market jump up, let it become $1, and that's the point. That's your cue to take your money out. You will be having such kind of profit. 9,200 USD can become 90,000. 4,600 USD can become 45,400 USD with just the most simplest strategy which every whale use in the market. Every whale use in the market. Buy at a cheap price. The only difference between there is like, see, they don't go for the coin which is below $1. We are going by because we are having less investment. We cannot make a high investment, correct? So we should go for such coin which is having less investment. Zero under $1 coin will obviously will ask you for less investment, and our target is just $1. That's all. No $2, $3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 100, blah blah blah. No, just $1. Simple, fast, easy. Let me delete it. Same we will do it for now STUBL, like what kind of investment and what kind of profit you will take, and also for Kibo coin, what kind of investment and what kind of profit you can take. User high user, you are saying 786. What is 786? Can you make me understand, please? User 216,786. Can you tell me what is 786? Hello, welcome new user. Welcome to the live stream of Zbit. I was just talking about how you can invest like a whale with a less investment and end up with having a big profit. Same exactly like how the whale does in the market. My strategy is little different. Uh, from the whales because they go for different kind of coins. I'm giving you strategy with different. If you are interested in knowing this strategy, please drop in the comment section. I want this strategy, and I will tell you the strategy right now in which you can actually invest 9,200 and it can become 90,800. Okay. So if you are interested, please drop the comment section in the comment section. I think. Okay. Cool. Okay. 52-week high. Done. Done. 60-minute BTC 115,696, and that's future trading. Okay, if you don't have money, if you don't have a very huge amount of money, never go for spot trading. If you have less money, come to the future market. Future trading is good. Spot trading will make you lose a lot of money. Future trading may help you in earning double or maybe triple. Okay, understand these things. We are going for TC perpetual contract. We'll discuss what we can see in today's market right now. We'll discuss in BTC, we'll discuss in Ethereum, we'll discuss in Solana, and we'll also discuss in XRP. And then we will decide what kind of market we will today trade on. Before that, deposit money so that you can take a trade with me right now. Okay, because right now I gave you my strategy, I explained you regarding everything. Now we are gonna go for live trading. I will help you in achieving how to understand this market. Okay, because understand this market is necessary so that we can go for which direction. Do we want to go for buy or do we want to go for sell? What kind of target we may achieve? What kind of target we may not achieve? What kind of losses we have, and even if we have losses, how to recover that loss. We'll discuss every of those things in this live stream. So please make sure that you are clicking on the deposit and doing a deposit so that we can take a trade. I will help you. Yesterday, almost 200 to $300 we earned on this live stream. Okay, so I want you all people to do exactly the same today as well. Deposit the money and wait for the trade. That's all. I will I will take 15-minute break and I will be back. Okay. 15-minute break and I'll be back. Just 15-minute break. Hey, let's see what we can see in the market today so that we can take a trade. We all can take a trade and we can earn a good amount of money. Let's leave today. Let's keep our target as at least 50 to 60 to $100. We can gain profit from the market and we will leave the market with this kind of money today. Okay. User ask, hello, how can I withdraw my profit? I just withdraw it. Okay. Let's see what we can see in the market today. We will start analyzing from the day time frame, lower to lower to lower, and see what kind of market we see today. If we should go for buy, we should go for sell. But before that, deposit the amount. Depositing amount is very necessary. If you don't have deposit amount, then you cannot take a trade. I am helping you here to take a trade in a very good, profitable market. Yesterday also we on almost 100 to 200 to $300. Today we are aiming for the same thing. Every day we'll earn small profit, but it won't happen until unless you deposit and take a trade. Okay, so deposit and take a trade. Got it? First deposit, we will analyze the market. Till the time I'm analyzing the market, you go and deposit, and then we will take a trade. Okay, cool. Let's see what's happening in 1 day time frame. On 1 day time frame, according to the 5 wave theory, you understand the 5 wave theory, right? 5 wave theory is basically first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth, fifth, A, B, C, corrective wave. A, B, C are corrective waves. Okay, so according to this 5 wave theory in the market, I will also show you Elliott. See, this is Elliott's 5 wave theory. First wave, second wave, third, fourth, fifth, A, B, C, right? Now same thing on the chart. What we can see is right over here. Delete this. We can see the first wave, second wave, third wave. Now fourth wave is about to come. Obviously it will come somewhere over this point. From here, or it can take, see, resistance, it can take from wherever it wants. It doesn't have to be like it will come exactly from this point or something. No, it can jump from this point as well, or it can jump from little come down and then it can jump from this point as well. That we don't know. Okay, so first wave done, second wave done, third wave done. Now fourth little corrective wave is coming. After a corrective wave, there will be obviously one fifth wave which will go like this, and then it will drop. A, B, C will happen. So we are in a start of a fifth wave. Right now, fourth wave is going on. We'll let the fourth wave finish according to day time frame I'm talking about. Okay, this is day time frame. Day. Yeah, we are watching day time frame. In day time frame, Elliott 5 wave theory is showing us that it is first wave, second, third. Fourth wave is coming. Fourth wave is a corrective wave. Fourth wave. This is the fourth wave which is happening right now. We will aim for the fifth wave which will go up. This is where we will take trade on the fifth wave. Understood? This is what we can understand by the 1 day of time frame that Elliott 5 wave theory is making this. Other than this, where can be the possible retracement of the fourth wave? Like it will drop and go up. Where can be that? For that, Fibonacci retracement. See, this is the tools. In that Fibonacci retracement, go over here. This is the first one. First, Fib retracement. This is the first one. We will tap and place it on the highest point. Highest point, and then drag it to the lowest point. Got it? Highest point is this. Placed. Now drag it down and place it on the lowest point over here. Right now, what we can see, the golden ratio 0.5, 0.6, and 0.3. 0.5 and 0.6 are enough. These two are a golden ratios. What do you mean by golden ratios? Golden ratio means from that 0.5 and 0.2, high chances of market to tap in and go up. Got it? Okay. Right now, market is into that situation of 0.5. It is not going down. So there are high chances from the market that from this one point, market will try to go above, which we are hoping for. We won't go for a high target, we'll just go for a very low target. Okay, because it takes time. It's in a day time frame, so it will take time, obviously. But day time frame is telling us what? Other thing which day time frame is telling us. This was H. Then market made low. Then market made, this is high, lower high, which means lower high. This is a representation of downtrend. We are having a lower high. Okay, high, low, lower high. Why? Because this high is lower than the previous one. Got it? Now from there again, market made lower low. Why lower low? Representing that the market, this low is lower than the previous one, more lower than that. This is called as lower lows. Lower lows, lower highs represents downtrend. Downtrend means what? Selling is happening. Okay. From over here, market made new high. Wait a second, wait a second. This is here. Then market made another lower high. This is the lower high of the market. And then this is again a lower high. But at this point, the high which is made is right now equal to this. So it won't be a lower high now. It will be just high. Because it's equal. It is at the same point. The lower high, this thing and this thing, they are at the same point. That's why it won't be lower high. It will be high. Market then made, this is the low. Why just low? Because right now it is above this thing, so it will become HL. HL means higher low. Understood? Higher low. First lower low, it is below, it is higher than that. That means higher low. Okay. After that, market made this, which is HH. HH. High, higher than that high, higher high. I'll show you. If you are not understanding by that, I'll show you. See, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, downtrend. Low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. HH, higher high, representing uptrend. Okay, so right now what we can see in the market, a downside. First shift was this, now the shift is this. A change has happened from down to up. So what we will do, we'll go for buying because of the trend has changed from down to the up. Okay, now obviously an higher high is made. After higher high, what comes? After higher high, higher low will form, obviously. Higher high, higher low. Once my market made higher high, then it will travel a little down. to make this higher low, and then again we'll make another high, right? Same thing, higher high made. Now market will try to make another higher low, which will be above this, obviously. So in an day time frame, an uptrend is showing and market is trying to make an higher low. Got it? Simple. Let's go on. Let's go on 3x. In 3 hours time frame, market is showing uptrend, but right now, as you can see at this point, these are major swing in the market. Market went like this uptrend and now created major swings. Major swings always comes when there is confusion in the market, that they don't know what a market should be doing right now. I will show you major swings in the market. See, this is major swings in the market. Major swings, more up, down, up, down, fast up, downs. This is what exactly happening over here. Major swings in the market. Okay, in 3 hours, we are having a major swings. Market is going up fast, dropping down fast, going up fast, dropping down fast. This is major swings in the market, which is happening. After the major swings, right now market is trying to cool down a little. Before we had up, down, and right now is a little slow. This may can turn into a downtrend as well, as we are having first uptrend, up, up, up. Major swing came over here, and from here a little slow. If it had gone above this, then that's good signal for buying. But it did not happen, so it is going down. May end up into downtrend. In a day time frame, we watch market was uptrend, but in 3 hours time frame, we are seeing major swing may turn the market into a down. Got it? Simple. We can analyze. Let's go for 2 hours. Demand zone. Okay, this is our 2 hour demand zones. 2 hour. This is a 2 hour demand zone. 2 hour demand zone, which means like whenever market is trying to come up, tap in, jump, tap in, jump, tap in and jump. Right now again market is trying to retest himself. It is coming down. We'll observe this. We'll observe this point very nicely. See, exactly from the demand zone, we saw a rejection from the bottom to upside, which means buyers are still present in the market who are trying to do a rejection from the market, who is trying to make the market jump up, who are trying to reject from the bottom. Okay, this is a good signal. And after that, I will show you one more thing. One second, let me just okay. bottom rejection we saw from the exact demand zone of the market. Wherever there was a demand zone, like most of the time market came, jumped up, market came, jumped up, again the same thing happened. But right now sellers are active in the market more than the buyers, or maybe at a same exact price, maybe at the same exact uh, strength. Their both strengths are equal at this point, so that they are not able to decide whether to push the market up or whether to push the market down. It's a wait and watch game right now, but we will see what we can more find out in 1 hour. Can you see this? Wait. Can you see this? This is an equal bottom candlestick chart pattern. I will show you. Tweezer bottom, tweezer, twee. Tweezer bottom. Tweezer bottom variant, exactly at the same point the market is. This is called as tweezer bottom variant. It will help you. This, not this, not this, not this. Something. Tweezer bottom, it doesn't look like tweezer bottom. I want an exact tweezer bottom in the market. See, downtrend, tweezer bottom exactly having an equal one, from there an uptrend comes. So this is one of the signal for us that same tweezer bottom came and it might end up in an uptrend. Signals, this is how you should read a chart. This is how you should find out the candlestick patterns and every of those things. This is a tweezer bottom candlesticks, which is telling us maybe a trend can go for uptrend. Okay, and that too it formed in a downtrend itself. See, conditions are applied in a tweezer bottom. There are conditions. First condition is that it should apply, it should come form in downtrend. Form in downtrend, can you see a downtrend? Yes, form in downtrend. First condition, form in downtrend. Second, bearish candle, day one low about equal to day lower bullish candle. Can you see this? Downtrend, first candle red, second candle green. Same exact thing. First candle red, second candle green. Downtrend, candle. From here, maybe the market can jump to a positive note direction. But you have to note this one very specific thing: candlestick pattern may go wrong as well. But it is a good thing to notice such things that you can understand in the market. Maybe it can go for a positive side, and maybe it can end up from here. We can enter at the market and we can go up for the good profitable side, which our market is actually in. Okay, and till now I'm saying till now, see, smart money concept. See, change of character, CHOCH, change of character has happened from an uptrend, like this, change of character has happened with major swing like this. It hasn't turned into a downtrend yet. It has not. But still, a change of character has happened where the break, like it has supposed to make this is higher low, and this had made a lower low. Change of direction, downtrend. It is showing that that is called as CHOCH, change of character. But candlestick pattern and the rejection from the bottom suggest that buyers are still there in the market, still there in the market. Maybe we might end up having a good buying situation at this point, but that is a maybe situation. Okay, we will check out what more evidence we can find out in the market for this situation. This is just a from major swing market is going in a sideways market. That's all. Okay. But one thing to be noted, market is actually making a head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. This is what head and shoulder pattern looks like. See, shoulder, head, right shoulder, and that's from there downtrend will come. Exactly the same shoulder. If I have to do it with a path, I will do it with a path. Market came down, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Okay, this is our head and shoulder pattern. Suggesting downtrend will come. Suggesting that a downtrend will come. Head and shoulder pattern always suggest a downfall of the market. First this, and then downfall of the market. This is what happens with the head and shoulder pattern. We can watch this head and shoulder pattern in an, first it made shoulder, then the head, and then the another shoulder, and from the neckline a downfall will start. This is what we have to capture, right? So we are gonna make okay. This is our head and shoulder pattern right here. What we saw. I will delete this. I don't need this. Head and shoulder pattern has been spotted in the market. We will wait for the neckline. This neckline. This is that neckline which will give us a breakout. It will give us a breakout and may travel down as well. Okay. Most probably we'll keep our target at this point. That's what we will keep a target at. Okay, this is what our target is. If you have to understand what will be original target, you just tap on this, go down. It says 0.60%. Okay, from the breakout, same 0.60%. This is the target, but I feel a safe target can be just this. Because trust me, a lot of people when they saw an uptrend kind of situation, they must have went for buy. This is a place where a lot of SLs are kept. SLs, a lot of SLs are kept over here for liquidity trap. For liquidity, a lot of SLs are kept over here. Market will come down, tap to all those SLs, and it will go. Trust me on this. Wait for neckline breakout. This is the neckline. Okay. This is neckline. Wait for neckline breakout. From here somewhere we will get breakout, and that is a breakout which will travel. Our target. Safe target. It's a safe target. Okay. This can be our safe target. Head and shoulder pattern suggests downfall will come. This is our head and shoulder pattern. Uh, Left shoulder. LS means basically left shoulder. Left. Left shoulder. This is head. And this is right shoulder. Okay. Neckline will do a see market is falling. This is a point where we will do our entry. This is our entry point. Okay. This is my entry point from this, but there is one very big but, that we are actually at what? We are actually at a demand zone. There are high chances as well that the market will push back, same like this candle. Can you see this candle? Same exactly like this candle, we can push up as well. Be aware, keep your SL very small SL you should keep. Do not keep a big SL, keep a very small SL at the BTC, and we are doing future trade. Future trade we are doing. Okay, future trade, I will keep it over here. Future trade, do not forget future trade. Neckline breakout we have to give. Wait for neckline breakout. Neckline, this is neckline. Breakout will happen, that's the breakout, and the safe target is over here. Okay. Possibly market can also touch this point, because these are equal lows in the market. Risky target. because of the equal lows in the market. Wherever you found out such equal lows, there are lots and lots and lots of SL there. SLs are kept at this point, and the market. So make sure that you are, this is a safe, risky. Okay. And before taking trade, or please do tell me what kind of capital do you have so I can help you in what kind of leverage you can take in the market. Okay, because we are gonna get an entry very soon in the Bitcoin. So please do tell me what kind of capital you have, what kind of leverage you have, or even what kind of market you want to trade. You want to go for Ethereum, you want to go for Solana, you go for XRP. Because until unless you don't tell me, I cannot help. Okay. We'll closely observe this thing closely. Head and shoulder pattern suggesting downfall. This is the head and shoulder pattern. Neckline, shoulder, head, shoulder, exactly like this. First, tut, 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 tut. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what we can find out. Because a rejection, a sell side is also having a very good rejection from it. You can clearly see this red side candle dropping down, dropping down, dropping down, continuously dropping down. Is it exactly at the low? 114712. TP 114700. 730 is also fine. So TP and take profit over here will be is the low of this guy. 115131. Okay, 115130. 115130 can be this. 115130 can be your safe target. I give you both. You want a safe target, go for safe target. Safe target will be TP 115130. You want to go for risky target is 114730. Now it depends on you what kind of target you want to achieve. Because I told you the reason of risky, why I'm saying is because we are also on the demand zone. We have seen that market has taken a great support from that same point. So buyers may enter at a demand zone. That's what demand zone means, that buyer enters at that point. So, and we are gonna take a downside trade at the demand zone. So be aware of what may can come. But for me, I really think according to the liquidity trap will happen, and we are gonna get, like, people will get trapped. Like, there are so many SLs over here still sitting at this point. Either this or either this. Let me just confirm it by just one. stop TF. Just fine. Really? It's not grab till now point. Okay. It's a wait and watch game now. We just have to wait and watch now. For the entry point, I have told you your target as well, the safe target and the risky target. Safe target is at 115130. Risky target is 114370. Because there are two places where liquidity trap can happen. One is this point, and another one is this. These are because of equal lows. Equal lows, liquidity trap. We should liquidity. Market. Why is showing such kind of situations? See, equal lows. You can see equal, same, equal lows. That's what is happening over here. Same is exactly the same, equal lows. That's why I'm saying this liquidity trap may be achieved equal low. Equal low liquidity. Da, 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 da. See, equal lows, market came one equal, another equal, little go down, and from there it can jump up. Okay, equal lows. This is what happens in the market. I'll show you one more, two to three stuffs. One second. This. See, stop loss hunting equal. This is stop loss hunting equal lows. One, two, a little it will try to go down. Equal top, equal lows. Equal top, equal lows. Right now we are having equal lows. That's why stop hunt will happen. Market will try to come down to this point to hunt the stop loss. Be ready, guys. Deposit into your account so that we can take a trade once we get this. Wait for breakout entry. Once from here a breakout happens, that's where we're gonna enter in the market. Two safe target I have given to all of you people. Two. You can check out these targets. There are two safe target which is provided. see which can be useful, which cannot be useful. Let's see what market will have for us. Will we go for buy? Will we? Most of the situation is telling us to go for sell because of the head and shoulder pattern. And you should always trust the pattern which is formed in 1 hour. 1 hour chart patterns are always works the best. 1 hour chart patterns are always the best of best. 1 hour chart patterns are very good, very best. You should be checking out the 1 hour chart pattern always. The next candle will decide for us whether we have to enter because we are very close to our neckline. This should be a red candle and we should go for sell, sell, sell. That's what we should go for. Sell. Because I think most of the people must have got trapped over here. Because 2 time market jumped up, third time also most of the people must have went for the buy situation. Let's see. We won't do early entry until unless we see a neckline breakout. because chart patterns can go wrong as well. It's not compulsory necessary of chart pattern to be right. Sometimes they can go wrong as well. But we can check. We should check. We will check. We'll check. Mhm. Do deposit, guys, because we are gonna take entry soon. When this reaches to our neckline, we are gonna take an entry soon. Okay, so to take a proper entry of an head and shoulder pattern, I need divergence, stochastic. No divergence. I told you long ago on the road. I got what you're waiting for. To find such kind of entry, you actually need a market analysis, strong market analysis. And this live stream is one of those platforms where you can learn this live stream, learn this market analysis. But let's closely watch that market, which is going a little up. Buyers are there, very little amount of, but still buyers are there in the market. See, we have seen such situations where in the we are watching 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. Okay, in 1 hour time frame, whenever you see such like a green candle is forming a good buying, that does not mean that buyers are gonna win the end. It's a start. We have complete 1 hour. In just the starting of the 1 hour, if buyer shows the strength, doesn't mean that strength will continue till the last moment of the match. Okay. Understand the situation. No, no, no. Let it go up. Let it go up. It's totally fine. Let it jump up a little. That's not our main concern. I told him long ago on the I got I got I got what you waiting for. A good buying came a complete opposite candle for me, a complete opposite candle for me from the market, a complete very opposite candle. Such kind of candles confuses a lot. And that's a good buying actually. Yeah, that's not a small buying. That's actually a very good buying which has happened right now. But still doesn't confirm that we should go for buying because everything tells us to go for sell. Just that one pattern is there, tweezer bottom pattern, nothing else. Okay, a bit of the upside rejection has started to come in the market. That's what we want. In the starting, let the buyer show their strength. In the starting, if they show a strength, that doesn't concern, that it's totally fine. Even if they in the starting they show strength, that is okay. It won't happen. Watch and play game. Head and shoulder patterns, listing a downtrend will come. Wait for the neckline. I think I'm very pretty much clear. Like I gave you very clear instructions of what to do. Very clear. Keep on watching market. Maybe the next candle will tell us what is gonna happen in the market. Next candle. Even after like 3 or 4 by in a 1 hour, I will leave. Even after that time, if you see that this is gonna go for entry, make sure this one situation that we are at demand zone. Do not forget that. Pullback, rejection is possible a lot. But strong scenario is for the downside because buyers are getting weak. Buyers are getting weak. That's why strong scenario for sell side. If buyers would had a strength, they would have went for the supply zone directly. or at least the fair value gap which I spotted yesterday. What you got? What you got? 46 minutes. 46 minutes in the live. 46. 46 minutes in the live. 46. Hello, new user. Welcome to the live stream of the CB platform. We have just given you a trade. Soon we will enter in the market. Soon, very soon we will enter in the market. Just watch out that neckline part, that where we have to enter. Okay, because in the 1 hour time frame I can spot the head and shoulder pattern. So for you, I'm telling you that make sure that you have done with the deposit so that we can start taking a trade. Right now, this is the head and shoulder pattern, entry point, your safe target. Today we'll go for sell side. Yesterday we went for buy, but head and shoulder pattern is suggesting that we should go for sell side. I'm watching 1 hour time frame. Do not forget that 1 hour time frame I'm watching. Today is finding. Even if I leave, do not forget to take a trade. Even if I leave. See again the bottom to the top rejection started to happen. See the top rejection happening from. Can you see this top rejection? This was the point where the buyers could take it, and from there downfall, 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 downfall. First half, the not even first half, first 10 minutes, the buyer were active, and now sellers are getting active. Rejection happening from the top side. I wish I was the the owner of the market sometime. Like just imagine a crypto live pool money, live pool money of a cryptocurrencies. Damn, the market cap which sits at trillion. That means that much money is stacked into that currency, bro. Stacked. It's huge. It's very huge. It's not small. It's very huge. What you got? What you got? What you got? Sunday is Sunday. Yeah. Sunday, less, very less people on the live stream. People are not even joining very fast. They come, they check, they leave. They come, they check, they leave. Podcast host. Podcast host. Enough. Enough fight. Enough. 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 Ah, 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 Make it vertical, 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 vertical. Okay. Okay. We should have some fun thing like when there is nothing on the live stream, then we should have some fun activities for this live stream. Something fun activities for the live stream. Some fun. Anything. It can be anything. Something fun activity for this live stream. Again, happening, the rejection is happening. But hello, new user, welcome to the live stream of Zibi.com. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. We are waiting for our trade to happen. I spotted head and shoulder pattern. You are from India? Okay. मैंने हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न ढूंढा है अभी मार्केट में 1 आवर का चार्ट फ्रेम है ये बीटीसी का हम फ्यूचर्स में ट्रेड कर रहे हैं जल्द ही हम ये नेकलाइन का जो ब्रेकआउट होगा जहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हो ये नेकलाइन होता है ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है आ गया हेड एंड शोल्डर दिखा रहा जहाँ तक मैंने बाद में दिखा रहा हूँ ये हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न है बट ये नेक लाइन से हम एंटर करेंगे बहुत अगर सेफ टारगेट लेके चलना है तो 115130 का सेफ टारगेट है और अगर रिस्की टारगेट लेके चलना है तो 114730 का रिस्की टारगेट है आई वन सेकंड वन सेकंड hello how can I do withdrawal I need some USDT for trading because I'm a new trader brother we don't provide USDT for trading we provide crypto tokens as a new user rewards we don't provide USDT as a new user rewards okay we are a little different from the other platforms we directly provide you the tokens of cryptocurrencies I need some USDT for trading because I'm new trader wow I need why people ask like when they know what the answer is going to be why they ask neck is very stiff. See, I just don't want this one of those things like this chart pattern should go wrong or something. Because sometimes it happens like this fake thing like this, and then this will happen. Sometimes that also happens. So we have to be prepared for both situations. But you don't have to worry because I'm closely watching the market. Whatever happens, I will inform all of you guys to do the respective. But we won't enter until and unless we cross that neckline. Crossing that neckline is very important. We won't enter until we see that crossover. Just because you're a new users, we won't. Any other coin we can watch? Ethereum, Ethereum, no, pata, pata. Ethereum is not making that thing. Head and shoulder pattern. But Ethereum looks like it's making a like this descending chart pattern. Like descending triangle chart pattern. This is what it looks like, which is trying to make. But same situation, this demand to demand zone came to the market. In Bitcoin, it did twice. No head and shoulder pattern here as well. Even in XRP, no head and shoulder pattern. It's just in Bitcoin and head and shoulder pattern is visible. That's all. Just in Bitcoin, just in one simple coin. Hmm. Double bottom pattern? Do you think it's a double bottom pattern? Double bottom pattern. Is everybody making double bottom pattern? Yes. Double bottom pattern. No. Solana is making double bottom pattern. Uptrend, sideways, go, top, top. What is 1 inch network? A, ADA, AED. There are so many, so many, so many, so many, so many. BNT, Bangkok. Let's check that ping pong thing. Get to see that ping pong spot. See, ping pong spot is going good. The less, because of just one very less supply, it's going good. Still holding up, still holding good. No issues in holdings. No fair value gaps created till now. It's like no abnormal buying has happened. No abnormal buying. Normal buying has happened. Deposit, guys, deposit. Soon we will see. Entering. BTC perpetual contract. BTC perpetual contract. You understand what the meaning of perpetual is, by the way? There are two future contracts. One is a future who has starting and ending point. Like it will start at one point and it will eventually by 7 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, four, five, whatever year it will end. That is a contract, a future contract. Perpetual contract is like never ending contract. It will never end. There is no end point. It started and there is infinite way it will go on. This contract will never stop ever. This is the difference between future and perpetual future contract. BTC has a perpetual future contract that it will never end. Okay, never. Ethereum. 'll let go. I'll let it go. Up, 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 go. Go. Tomorrow I will be having phone. So I will be making my Telegram account and I'll be giving it to all of the people pros. Okay, so that you can see the real time everything on that. 23 minutes, 23 minutes, 23 minutes will know what a market has decided. Because it's still an head and shoulder pattern. The pattern has not changed. Pattern has not changed. Still a head and shoulder pattern. May may end up in something else. Why? No users are there on the line. Big candle at demand zone. Whenever you are at demand zone, you will always find out big candles at a demand zone. Whenever you are at a demand zone, and this big candle is just making us more and more confusing. Nothing else. Traders, they make it more. The market tries to make this such things to make us more confused. Whether in what side do you want to go? Nice. What does a pivot point says? His opinion is pivot high low missed reversals. What is it? It's still on the buy, but it changes to our what happened? Is that pivot thing on 2 hours? It's not showing. Let's go on 1 day. On 1 day, it is having a sell thing. Okay. 4 hour is also sell. 3 hours sell. 2 hour. The last buy was here. 2 hour. But after that, he didn't give us any signals of buy or sell. This is a very good indicator, by the way. Pivot point high and low missed reversals. It's 1 hour. Hello, new user. Welcome to the live stream of Exhibit. We have I've done the market analysis, and I can see that I we are making head and shoulder pattern in the BTS future contract, like in the BTC, like BTC future trade. We'll close, will come to our sell side very soon. So make sure that you are depositing, tap on the deposit thing and deposit the amount so that we can start taking trade soon when the market breaks out uh, below this neckline. Okay, below this neckline, when the market breaks out, we'll go for sell side. Safe target is this, risky target is this. Now it's up to you what kind of target you want, because they both are the place where the liquidity trap can come, either at this or these are the two equal lows. Equal lows, equal highs are the highest percentage chances where the liquidity trap will come in the market. Highest. So we have two situations. Inducement stop hunt, TFO. Hello again, new user. Welcome to the live stream of Zibit.com. We have found out a head and shoulder pattern on the chart pattern of BTC in 1 hour time frame. We are waiting for a downside entry so that these are the two, one safe trade, one risky trade. We will surely very soon go for a sell side. So before that, deposit your account so that you can enter for the trade. Okay. If you already have a good amount in capital, tell me what kind of amount so that I can help you with the leverage, what kind of leverage you should take, what kind of margin you should take, and blah blah everything. I can help you with that. Please do tell on the comment section, or drop just hi. How are you? How was your day? What you're doing till now? Everything. Hi. What's your name? What's your name? Is it brother or is it a sister? I also want to know that so that I address you in a proper way. Hello, Aniket as well. Welcome to the live stream of the Zbit platform. Thank you so much for joining. We have spotted an head and shoulder pattern on the BTC future trade and future contract. And after that, we are waiting for the downside entry. Either we can go for thanks for the guide. हाय मैम कब आने वाली है मैम अभी आएगी 15 मिनट 15 minutes after 15 minutes you can come thank you so much this is the trade which we are looking for in the BTC okay let's go welcome a lot of people have joined it thank you so much for joining this live stream welcome to the live stream we have spotted a head and shoulder pattern on the BTC 1 hour time frame okay soon we will enter for the sell side so before that tap on that deposit and deposit so that we can start taking a trade okay cool oh Aniket is still here surprised that you are still waiting on this live stream Even if after me going something happens, make sure that you are noticing this neckline entry, because for entry to come it sometimes takes time. Market don't work like this. It takes time. So wait for the entry below the neckline. It will happen for very sure. Yesterday we made almost $100 to $200. Almost 100, 200 to $300. Today my aim was to make more than that, but market is not working. That's the issue. When it will start falling down? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It will work. It will happen. But also make sure one thing, one very specific thing. See, safe target till there market may reach, but also make sure that you are in the demand zone of 2 hours. In 2 hours, you are a demand zone. Okay. This is, do you know what demand zone is? I'll tell you what demand zone is. Demand zone means from where the place a demand comes a lot. बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड आ जाती है, जहाँ पे हैवी बाइंग होती है. डिमांड जोन मार्केट में कैसे ढूंढना है, सप्लाई जोन कैसे ढूंढना है, ये सब चीजें बहुत सिंपल सी है. अगर जानना चाहते हो तो प्लीज बता देना कि डिमांड और मार्केट, डिमांड जोन और सप्लाई जोन, हाउ टू फाउंड आउट. Thanks for the guide. Always welcome. But sometimes it's very boring to watch market like this. Like, how long should I watch market? Why can't you move when I say you move? But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's really fine. It's Sunday, that's why market is very slow. On weekends, market usually are very slow. Very slow. I think it's a good time for me to leave now. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being on this live stream, for coming on this platform to learn regarding trading. And trust me, if you really want to learn trading, how to do trading, how to do this kind of structures, like how to find out chart patterns in the market, how to find out your entries in the market, how to take care, how to do market analysis in the market. Yash Pawar is the best version you can find out on this live stream for such kind of structures. Okay. So please make sure if you want to learn regarding trading, come by 12 to 4 on the live stream of the Zbit platform. Okay. Cool. Bye bye, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being a part. Maybe tomorrow, probably I'll get the number and I will open a Telegram account. From tomorrow, I'll start telling, like giving, sharing you my Telegram account as well, so that you can tap into the Telegram account. I will be there 24/7 available for all of you people to whatever happens. Like, see, I come live stream 4 hours. After 4 hours, if something big thing happens, I'll be there for you to guide it, to tell you every of those things. Okay. So tomorrow, probably tomorrow should come. Tomorrow I will give you my Telegram account. Okay. Bye bye, people. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part.